There's a lot of bulb that are not working. This bulb is off. 3, 4. Very bright. Please. Àwọn gúrùpù Ìyábọ̀ Òjó wọ́n ti mú platform yìí wọ́n ti tọ̀nù ẹ̀ kí má bàa sọ̀rọ̀. All you hackers ayé yóò ní dá. I will pray. I can pray. Ó yẹ kí n include Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ní attention kò ń ṣe Ìyábọ̀ Òjó nìkan ni if not màá fi orúkọ gbogbo wọn sí on issue of Ìyábọ̀ Òjó and the hackers. I don't respect any of them. Heavenly Father, eternal rock of ages, we thank you for this wonderful morning. We appreciate you, Lord, because of God. Nobody like you from east to west to south, that it be the exalted, be glorified forever. Thank you for the wonderful daughter you've given unto me. Thank you for my wonderful life. Thank you for everybody coming under this platform, the criminals and the good ones. Thank you for wonderful country, my Nigeria, Canada, America, all over the world. Those who love us from east, west, north, and south, Daddy, we appreciate you for their life. Oh Lord, receive our praise this morning in Jesus' name. Daddy, please have mercy upon me, upon my daughter, upon my well wishes. Forgive us, oh Lord, in the name of Jesus Christ. I cover myself with the power of God. I cover my daughter with the power of God. Every plans of the enemy against our life, Father, destroy this morning. I want to speak, Father, speak through my mouth. Whatever I decree this morning, establish them in the mighty name of Jesus. And whatever I ban today, Father, ban them in the mighty name of Jesus. Every arrow that the enemy has fired to our life when we are sleeping, we send the arrow back to the sender right now in the mighty name of Jesus. Every gathering that the enemy has created against me and my daughter, against my husband, my well wishes, all over the world, I pray, Lord, that you scatter that meeting, you scatter that gathering. In the camp of our enemy, there shall be trouble, and there shall be trouble. The enemy shall be exposed and be disgraced openly in the mighty name of God. Those who have been waging war against my life, against my daughter, Father, put all of them to shame totally. Thank you, Father, because you answer prayer. Father, fight for me, fight for my daughter. Thank you, Daddy. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Lord, take total control. I open this platform in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Good morning. Happy Tuesday to you guys. You know, I'm going to go downstairs. I'll go to the sitting room downstairs. But before then, I quickly call attention of Canada government, Nigerian government. I'm supposed to call naturally like United Nations, but now no. This morning I call Canada government, Nigerian government attention. So good morning to all of you under this platform and the enemy too. Those who actually, let me tell you, my platform is being moderated by these hackers because they are being threatened. They discourage, they want to do that. They are doing that for a long time for me to be discouraged and also believing that I am not going to be blessed. But any man or woman that stand against my progress, against my goodness, the Almighty God will raise the standard against such people. He will destroy them, all their evil plan will fall upon them. In the mighty name of Jesus. And those who are feeding them, who are supporting evil against me, against my daughter, Almighty God will fight such people. It will bring them down. All the evil they have against me, the plan against me and my daughter will be their Lord in Jesus' name. So that is it. You are welcome to this platform this morning. So I'm not going to be discouraged for when I have information. At times I'm quiet, but at times, you know, the situation, even at times when I'm quiet, it's not even palatable for me to be quiet. But let me start this way. I am going to touch many places this morning. I want to touch here. Touch now. The law káàárọ̀ sá o ẹni yẹn ó sọ wípé kíní yẹn kò ní pé amendment yẹn pé kò tiẹ̀ ní ìdìmọ́ ṣe ti yẹn mẹ́rin ó dà pé ìpinnu èṣù ti dasán ṣe ti yẹn mẹ́rin ó sọ pé kò wà needed because he sent me a message yesterday So Emma will amend anything. I don't have any money to pay for the amendments. And again, mo fẹ́ call attention yín sí nǹkan kan. Ṣé mo pé mo discuss ọ̀rọ̀ ilẹ̀ mi tí mo sọ wípé ibi tí wọ́n actually sin bàbá ọmọ mi sí, wípé mo wá ń lọ bẹ̀, mo fẹ́ lọ ṣe fence síbẹ̀ yẹn. Suddenly pé ẹnìkan tí mo pè kó bá mi, tí mo rò pé ó lè bá mi ṣiṣẹ́ ibẹ̀ yẹn, pé ó wá ní kí n tó gba quotation pé òun máa kí n kọ́kọ́ mú owó wá kóun bá mi rán àwọn èèyàn kan lọ roko ibẹ̀ yẹn, so that somebody dẹ̀ ti ró òun á lè ṣe quotation yẹn properly. So and after that òun nìkan náà ni ṣó ti yé yín. Suddenly nígbà tó dẹ̀ ṣe tán lẹ́yìn tó gbowó tán fẹ́ roko yẹn tán, ọjọ́ tó dá mi mo wá ń try láti pè é, mo wá rí pé ó ń feel reluctant. Òun ló yẹ kó ti pè mí pé òkè wọ́n ti parí bí tí wọ́n ro yẹn tán bọ̀. Mo wá rí pé kò pè mí. Gba tí mo wá pè ló wá ní nǹkan tó kàn ṣẹlẹ̀ náà ni pé òun fẹ́ sọ fún mi pé àwọn kan déédéé bọ́ sórí ilẹ̀ o, wọ́n sọ pé àwọn ń kọ́, àwọn làwọn ní ilẹ̀ kiri kan pé ilẹ̀ yẹn kì í ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ ní títì mi o, ní kí gbogbo ilẹ̀ yẹn kọ́ ní títì wa o, wípé ilẹ̀ yẹn ń kọ́ àwọn ní a plot nínú ilẹ̀ yẹn. Ṣé ti understand bí mo ṣe sọ fún yín? So but níjọ́ yẹn wá ní kí n mú ìwé ilẹ̀ yẹn wá kẹ́ screenshot ẹ̀. Mi mọ nǹkan mi ti ẹ̀ gbàgbé nǹkan tẹ́lẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣe lórí ẹ̀ níjọ́ yẹn. So ẹni kí n mú ìwé ilẹ̀ yẹn wá pẹ́ fẹ́ screenshot ẹ̀ níjọ́ yẹn. Mi ti gbàgbé nǹkan tẹ́lẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣe. Mo dẹ̀ sọ pé mo ní ẹjọ́ o, ẹ keep document mi, because àwọn fraudsters yìí tí wọ́n bá ti rí ìwé ilẹ̀ èèyàn, wọ́n lè lọ ṣe duplicate, ó máa jẹ́ fake, wọ́n lè lọ backdate ẹ̀ nǹkan kan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Ẹ mọ̀ pé mo sọ fún yín pé gbogbo àwọn tí mo ti ń send ẹ̀ sí pé I covered all the dates tí mo rà, àmì the date tí gbogbo kìíní yẹn pé mo make it official, even gbà tí deed of agreement yẹn náà tí so but mo fún yín ní survey yẹn níjọ́ yẹn. So ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi keep it safe, because àwọn fraudster, àwọn olówó, àwọn big boys, àwọn big girls tí a pèrè àwọn tí wọ́n ń pàtẹ́wọ́ fún ní orílẹ̀-èdè wa ní Yorùbá land ní báyìí, àwọn ni wọ́n ń jáwó lè, ni wọ́n ń jí nǹkan ní nǹkan, and they are not ashamed of it. So mo kàn ní kí n remind yín ni the law. So later nípa letter of agreement of that business of yesterday, ìyẹn sọ pé kò ní necessary mọ́, so no problem. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ má ṣe nǹkan kan lórí ẹ̀. Mo ní kí n sọ fún yín ní àárọ̀ yìí, mo ní kí n send voice note sí yín, ṣó ti yín bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, so kó ba lè wà, kó ba lè yá, ẹ ti gbọ́ ìyẹn bó ṣe jẹ́. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ bá mi keep it safe o, ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Thank you so much. Because ní Nàìjíríà ẹ má bínú sá o, nobody to be trusted o, everybody na I'm sorry to say. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, kì í ṣe pé mo ní mi trust yín, but you know, ojú ni mo rí, torí with my experience nínú ayé yìí ara alé, ọmọ, ìyá, gbogbo ẹbí àtàrà, gbogbo wọn ló fẹ́ já ènìyàn lólè láti bá ayé ẹnìkan jẹ́ kán lè fìdí. So ẹ jọ̀ọ́ sá, ẹ má feel offended o, please keep it well. Good morning. I will call you back today. Tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ ráyè ẹ lè send message sí mi. Ẹ ṣé gan ni. Good morning. Thanks so much. Bye. Ẹ káàárọ̀. Mo send the voice note sẹ́nìkan ni. So ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo dẹ̀ ń sọ yẹn náà ó wà lórí kíní yẹn, mi rí kọ́ bọ̀. I just remember. This Nigeria, this Yorùbá má jẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ Nigeria, ibi tí mo ń gbé nílẹ̀ Yorùbá yìí. Criminal pọ̀ bàjẹ́. Lóru, after meditation, after praying, I opened my phone, I was playing with my phone, and then a lot of tea was pumping to my phone lóru yẹn. Wọ́n ti ráyè bóyá wọ́n tó bá ti jí láàárọ̀ kùtùkùtù wọ́n máa hack page mi so that I won't talk, because the word of my mouth, wọ́n mọ̀ pé nothing but the truth is actually a threat to all the wicked souls and the thieves, the criminals in our society. You know, Abu Ebe moto ẹ̀ torí ti Abu Ebe wọ́n lè ẹ má halẹ̀ mọ́ mi o, torí gbogbo yín pátá lẹ mọ̀ pé ẹ níbọn gbogbo yín pátá, criminal terrorist Yorùbá tẹ́ rìn kiri títì. So Canada government ni mo pè láàárọ̀ Ìṣàbọ̀lá, you speak English and make sure you tender your voice, don't use your speaker voice, because má lọ fa etí àwọn èèyàn ya, you calling attention of government. So let me start this way. Should I start with Iyabo Ojo? The reason why I call Canadian government, I just want to get attention of Canadian government. A lot of people, they used to lie to government because they know that the white people, they love their children very well. The whites, any part of the whites, they love their children very well. And it is like that to everybody, except my country, Nigeria, that they steal baby and they cut baby's head. They do many things with children, with baby's blood. A lot of people bath because they want to go into power or to many things, you know. It's not a story. It's a reality. But some people, some government too of Nigeria, of other country knows about this. So I want to apologize, and I want to say this. I want people to understand me, because a lot of people are actually hating on me, lying against me, that okay, she swear on, I mean, she cursed on children, I love children, I never curse on children. But if anybody working against my own child, especially my daughter, if anybody working cursing my child, I'm going to curse that person's child. If anybody working against my child, I am going to work against somebody, such person's children. If my mom, sorry to say this, yeah, I'm not even sorry to say it. If my mom, if she work against my daughter, I'm going to work against her children. And I'm going to swear and curse her children. See, apart from me, I cannot curse on myself. But the remaining ones, I'm going to curse on them. So, for you to know the gravity and the level, it's not because of love. I just believe in karma. Whatever you sow, you reap. It is written in the Bible, and it's also a law that back it up. Even the law, the book law, also back it up. Whatever anybody sow, he must surely reap it. So, but these days, a lot of people want to sow bad things. They don't want to reap bad things. So I want to go this way. A lot of people lie that, oh, she's cursed on children. She go against babies. It's a lie. A lot of people have been supporting. The reason why I left Quebec, I'm telling you today, I left Quebec because some people, a lot of people are being paid in that Quebec. Paid from system of Nigeria here to torture me and to deal with me. Yes, I know that very well. A lot of people under Quebec. Quebec is one of the provinces of Canada. And I spend more time since I arrived in Canada. I've been living in Quebec. So, when you say this, people knows. Because whatever the government will actually want to know, if you are interested, they will know it. So, I left when I was tired. Okay? I left. But after leaving, those people who actually believe I've escaped all their evil atrocity, evil things they're going to be doing to me under that Quebec, so they started working against me too when I get to Ottawa. You understand me? A lot of people, they lie. That's why they make life a little bit difficult. They make life difficult. They try to drive me many things. You understand me? It's not because of, you understand, but they lie. Oh, baby, because of, they say she should pay some money back. No. It's not because of that. Because a lot of people, when I was in that Quebec, I shouted every day. A lot of things happen, and a lot of people are being paid. Yes, a lot of people are being paid to torture me, and especially since the day that woman sued me to court. Yeah, that woman sued me to court, and she sued me unlawfully, and they also then Canada system accepted that. It's a unlawfully sue. Understand? Because our mission then was to set me up so that they can actually call me a fraudster, and that fraud is not in my system. I'm not trying to pretend to anybody. Whatever you have in your system, you cannot be hidden. You know, our system, we cannot hide something. We cannot hide some things. When you are trying to hide it, if you are a bad person, surely it will show. It will surely, systematically, it will be revealing to people. So I left that place. So now, a lot of people say, oh, she always curse on children. She always curse on children. Oh, I don't curse on children. I go after people with my prayer, with the word of my mouth, on people who are against me, against my daughter too. Because I left Nigeria, there is nothing in my story that is a lie. I didn't even complete it. They are too numerous. A lot of stories, you know, a lot of things they did to me in my country, their country that in this Nigeria, especially this Lagos, Ogun State, you know, Ogun State and Lagos State, you know, I went through a lot, you know. So I left that place. The reason why I started today, I want to speak about Iyabo Ojo. I know that some people under that torture, they are supporters of Iyabo Ojo. They have weapons. All these people, they have their weapons. That their weapon is They use people as a weapon. You know, they use people, ladies, they use men, a lot of them bad people as their weapon. So, but today, I don't hate Iyabo Ojo, but I'm saying nothing but the truth. Okay? And again, I call government because most of the time, when these idiots, I'm sorry to say, all these criminals, anytime they commit their offense, they commit their crime, they mention government. And let me show you the sign for you to know that actually mentioning your name. They lie to the society most of the time that government are the one doing it, even when you don't know anything. I don't know, maybe some government officials may be part of it, but they always do like this, do like this, pointing up that the people in authority are the cause of the problem. After killing a lot of people and stealing from people, they point up, they do this, that the people in authority are the one committing those offenses, and that's why I call attention. So anytime we are complaining about these terrible things, about people, try to investigate them. But a lot of people now, I notice that they are not investigating the criminals. They tell the innocent people, they make life miserable for them. But me, if anybody wants to study me, I've given them long rope, long time, and I promise them that study me. Whatever you want to do, any investigation, do it. And in fact, all the phone I've used, you know, most of them, I sell them. If they want to go back to the history and people I'm speaking to and the people I have conversation with, they can get it. Even my phone right now, the biggest phone I have right now is this one. Is this one. If somebody wants to buy now and give me the money so that they can, if the government wants to take it and give me back money, I will give it to them and get another one so that you can understand more. Okay? Even me coming to Nigeria, when I arrive in Nigeria, for me to survive, I've sold one of my phone. Okay? For me to survive. You understand me? Instead of me to go and involve myself or mingle with bad people, I will use whatever I have to sustain myself. You understand me? So, I'm just giving you this guarantee. So, because anybody that wants to complain about others, that complaining about others, you too, you must make sure you are up to date. And you are also clean. Make sure you have your record clean. And you make sure your record has to be also clean. So, I want to talk about Iyabo Ojo. The pregnancy about, our daughter. Sorry, I'm not against it now. Our daughter, she knows my daughter, maybe like 4 years. Yeah. They said she's 24, 25 now. My daughter is 20. I'm not doing comparison because a lot of people now, when you start talking, they will tell you, oh, you have a daughter, oh, Iyabo Ojo will pay all those miscreants, all those useless, all those small terrorists, you know, all those courtesan ladies. Now they'll be going up and down, cursing and doing many things, you know. Iyabo Ojo have supporter, have people who backing her up. Okay? And they have, anytime they are trying to cover some secret too, there's some people they are rolling for. There's some people they are doing that for. And there's some people who have paid them to actually shut up people's mouths. So, Iyabo Ojo, 3 months ago, exactly 3 months ago, the daughter of Iyabo Ojo got married. You know, during the marriage, I prayed for the baby girl, but I point out some things that Iyabo Ojo, she's a devilish somebody. When people brought Iyabo Ojo case to me, 2010, that 15 years ago, the pastor right now in Lagos, I was in South Africa then, so the pastor brought a case to me, but I never believe whatever anybody say about people, because people can destroy people's name. They can tarnish your name. Some people, because of jealousy, I listen carefully. I study her very well. Okay? But of recent, I never see anything but of recent about the case of Mohbad. From day one, I'm not boasting of this. The Lord showed to me that a lot of celebrities, our celebrity, Nigeria celebrity, I don't mean all of them, that they are doing ritual, they are killing people. Some of them are killing themselves. You understand? Because they believe in one nonsense thing that when you destroy one celebrity, maybe that's younger than you, you are going to be promoted, then your star will be, you'll be burning more, you'll be well known. So they sacrifice people for their spirits, for their God, or for their star to continue, for them to continue to be in the line. So this morning, I am going to talk once again that Iyabo Ojo's daughter got married. I speak against that wedding then. I never cursed that baby girl. I never cursed his son. But Iyabo Ojo, she's evil. Iyabo Ojo, she's evil. Day one, when Mohbad died, I don't know Mohbad. Me Omori. I don't know that boy. And many people who cry because of Mohbad then, many people don't even know him. But this, one let it go on a lot of Malia. But I don't know him. But according to the inspiration of God and the inspiration being given by God to me about that boy then, I was going through, during that time, I was shouting that Nigeria celebrities are killing people. They are involving in bad things. Not all of them. So if you are not involved in it, don't get cross, don't get angry, don't be mad. I'm saying nothing but the truth. We are also fighting for ourselves, fighting for the society, fighting for our dear country, and for those of you also who are hating us for saying the truth. You understand? So I saw that video when I after preaching, after prayer, that morning, early morning like that. And then I checked my phone, I saw a video. Already I speak about it, that they are killing. But that very day, I opened my phone and straight away, because then, but one blog, that's Amebo Gist. Amebo Gist lover. I'm not Gist lover. Amebo Gist. Always, talk about me, like yabbing me, abusing me, many things, many things, So for that, every time they suggest this blog to me. When I open my phone, I saw this blog. There are two. I'm sorry to mention this, but people believe maybe I'm rude. I'm not rude. I'm only using this as just for people to understand. One of our monarch was used as a DP on that one. One of our monarch was used as a DP on that Amebo Gist. And the other one, Amebo, there are two. So one of them that was actually being the DP and Iyabo Ojo, the back DP was one of our monarch, and the front of it was Iyabo Ojo. I saw this video, I saw this blog, this video that very morning, and they posted a lady crying seriously for Mohbad, that Mohbad, I can't believe it, Mohbad is dead. And this blog posted that person crying together with Mohbad picture, and they laughed, he smiled, and he was happy. Like all the write-outs, were like mocking that boy that died. So I look at it very well, and I went back to the Facebook, and I started talking again about this issue. So the moment I took, yes, I can boldly tell you, people cry about Mohbad, but I can boldly tell you, I started it that very day on the 13th morning. Mohbad died on that, faithful, they said on the 12th, but on the 13th, I remember that day was 13. When that lady, I don't know, maybe it's a lady or whoever owns that blog, posted Mohbad, and say lady that was crying seriously, and he was making fun of that person. Like, okay, you die at last. That is the meaning. So I started talking before everybody, and I pray about it, and I call attention of people over this issue. And before Nigeria and all over the world, they picked this issue up. That's what happened. So, and when everybody was on the case, Iyabo Ojo pumping quickly to the case. Iyabo Ojo pumping into the case quickly. So, Iyabo Ojo have people. Iyabo Ojo, later Iyabo Ojo now said, yes, Naira Marley must go down. I'm not fighting for Naira Marley. What they said Naira Marley did is possible. It can be possible. Because Naira Marley and Iyabo Ojo, they are boyfriend and girlfriend before. Naira Marley always send flower to Iyabo Ojo. So, and Iyabo Ojo also sent children to Naira Marley's place. You understand? I'm not saying Naira Marley did that, but anything can happen. And don't forget this, for if Naira Marley actually maybe slept with the Iyabo Ojo and later sleeping with Priscilla, Iyabo Ojo is a deadly courtesan as well. He can plan anything. And also, don't get things twisted. Iyabo Ojo, Naira Marley, this boy, what's his name? Mohbad also living in Naira Marley's house. Okay, he's a member of Malians. You understand? So, and Iyabo Ojo and all his girls and his children too, they always go to Naira Marley's house. So it's possible, maybe Mohbad also, because these boys, the moment they start getting money, they want to sleep with their mother, sleep with anybody. You understand me? It's possible they can do anything to these girls, and these people may not say anything. And Iyabo Ojo, I've studied Iyabo Ojo. Iyabo Ojo is a green snake that will bite you and destroy you systematically. He go after people's life, even when you don't offend her. Iyabo Ojo also go after me. I see the handwriting of Iyabo Ojo. Even this house, I was saying it then that Iyabo Ojo, the person living in this house, and after the way they did this, I mean, the way they tried to destroy this building, is Iyabo Ojo is also part of it, because they use them. It's not the only one that using herself. He has also her backbone. People, for some politician, deadly politician, using them to destroy his life and to ruin people. You understand? And also, he's fighting for some certain politician as well. He's working and being paid in some people's role. Okay? So, Emma Benofun Bimaje put there. The way I put it, you understand. He's being paid by some people, by some politicians. Okay? So, Iyabo Ojo is a bad person. He knows about the death of Mohbad. I am telling you. Maybe the boy as well have offended him. Because Iyabo Ojo is close to that family. Very well. Not family of Mohbad, but the family of Naira Marley. That is the Malian. You understand? The Malian. And you see, when you listen to Mohbad's song, Mohbad composed a lot of songs to abuse a lot of ladies too. Like, Mommy Shuku Shuku. I know later they giving me during the time to check pa Mohbad yẹn. Wọ́n sọ ẹni tó kọ Mommy Shuku Shuku fún lára àwọn celebrity. Wọ́n sọ fún wa ẹni tó kọ Mommy Shuku Shuku fún. And all these girls too, they are python. They are not even green snakes. Some of them are green snakes. They are python that swallow people. They can swallow both male and female girls. I mean, both male and female. So they are working seriously. I've said it before that Iyabo Ojo is working for terrorists. I'm not blackmailing them. It's the truth. But people are trying to hide. They are trying to protect wicked souls in our community. The moment we continue to protect evil, just our community, we cannot have peace. And we need peace. And we need to grow. We need to overgrow. We need to step up. The level we've been finding ourselves for this donkey years, it's me. We have been long in this crime level. It is time for people, for Nigeria government, to fight this crime. Please, for God's sake, Iyabo Ojo, now, her daughter got married 3 months ago, exactly 3 months ago. May something like 7, date will marry. So she got married. Go and check all the pictures. The lady was not pregnant. Iyabo Ojo's daughter, she's not pregnant. If he's pregnant, maybe what, like a month. And the early stage pregnancy, she cannot even, she won't be able to do those things. We are not jealous of anybody. Because now when you are talking, when you are pointing out the truth, they say she's jealous. We are not jealous. I am not jealous of anybody. But we want to point, because these people pretend to be good person in society, and they are criminals. Okay? Now, after 3 months, I will show you the video yesterday. Maybe not in a baby shower. Go and check the back of that baby. I will show you the video now. After 3 months, over Sepo Monvelo deliver Omo ní ìlú Canada. Now she's in Canada right now to deliver the baby. When she's not pregnant during the wedding. During the wedding, suddenly it became pregnant. The tummy was like big like this. Like now, after 3 months, she wedding. Over 9 months exactly. 3 months, she deliver Omo. And reason why I'm saying this, a lot of baby, they are stealing baby, celebrating a lot of baby, get missed in London too. By the hand of this celebrity. I am telling you, they are stealing baby in Nigeria. Stealing baby now is nothing. In Nigeria, in the kingdom of this country, Nigeria, they're stealing baby, and when you are complaining, you are talking, a lot of baby are missing. They cannot find them. Now, Iyabo Ojo's daughter says she's pregnant. She's already 9 months. She wants to deliver baby. Because Canada is a country, I'm not the only one living in Canada, but everybody knows me, and they lied against me. I've suffered for Canada. I've suffered in Canada too. So if I see any crime or anybody trying to play some nonsense game around that country too, that is my country, that among those people will be complaining about, I'm going to speak out. I decide not to be talking just like before, like talking, putting my mouth into everything. But anything that concerning children, and also that can expose the criminal anytime they are on a mission, I will expose it. I will come out and talk about it. So Iyabo Ojo's daughter, she was not pregnant. Okay? If she's pregnant, maybe early stage, a month or 2. Okay? If somebody is pregnant for like 7 months, or 6 months, it was not pregnant, oh. Okay? Now she's in Canada, want a baby shower. Let me show you something. I want to show you one evidence. This morning, Iyabo Ojo's daughter, I'm not saying she's not pregnant now, but she's not 9 months. Ọmọ tó fẹ́ lọ gbé, ibi náà ti fẹ́ lọ rí ọmọ tó fẹ́ lọ gbé ní 9 months nsìn, tó fi ṣe pé wọ́n ti ṣe baby shower. Nísinsìnyí, just to be causing every time if they want to bring out any good result, any evidence, anything happening, Iyabo Ojo will raise one issue. And she'll be lying. She'll be disturbing our cyberspace. She's committing that crime and she's not afraid of anybody, and she will go on media. She committing that crime on media. Nobody is challenging her. When you try to expose her, she will deny that she's not the one. That day, I'm very sure, since that day, this person, when he's cutting my video, that is Amebo Gist, I do tell her, don't ever cut my video. Leave me alone. Because on that blog, they will press Iyabo, they will be pressing Iyabo, and they lash others. Except you are pressing Iyabo, or except you are a friend to Iyabo, except you celebrate Iyabo, or you post her on your platform. They always go after people. They go after me. They say many things about me. You understand me? But it's not what I'm talking about. I'm not bothered. Whatever anybody say about me that is not real, I pray against them. I pray to God to expose them. And when God is about to expose them and exposing them, nobody must cover them. Nobody must cover Iyabo Ojo for this atrocity that they are committing. Brother light, Iyabo Ojo went to a place where they want to buy a casket for a young boy, and he was laughing. You know what? You know the meaning? She's happy, like, okay, my mission is completed. Yes, I said I'm going to destroy you. Even Malian, people used to tell me, pastor said that he died with somebody. Mi ò mọ̀ kò ṣojú mi, but tí tó bá sọ pé èèyàn lọ sójú ogun, tó ló pa àwọn èèyàn púpọ̀ lójú ogun. A ní kò ṣojú wa, ó wá padà dé ní sílé, wọ́n lò máa ń pa èèyàn gan. Ó wá tọmọ ẹdìyẹ pa, bó ṣe bínú ó kàn gbẹ́sẹ̀ sókè ló bá tọmọ ẹdìyẹ pa. Ó ní kò ní ta fẹ́ni tó sọ pé òun tiẹ̀ ń ṣe pé òun dẹ̀ tó máa ń pààyàn yẹn. Ó pa ẹdìyẹ, ó tún ṣe pé nǹkan tán náà ó ṣe nígbà tí ó sọ, ó wá ṣe lójú èèyàn, ta ni ò tún wá mọ̀ pé tòótọ́ ni. Ṣó ti yé yín? Ẹ jẹ́ ká play kíní yẹn. Iyabo, ẹ lọ wo baby shower tó ṣe yẹn. Akọ ẹ ò balẹ̀, kì í ṣe pé wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ Nàìjíríà nìkan. Iyabo Ojo, she's a liar. The baby girl, Canada government, please put your eyes. Don't let baby be missing the way it's missing in Nigeria. Now, one at the level to just pay. It may be now they want to be stealing Nigeria, Canadian baby, white baby. Maybe they need blood of white baby. Now, because the black baby in Nigeria is nothing to them. They keep baby like anything. They keep people, anybody. So that they are demonic, or the people they are working for. Because I don't know they are working for. They may need a baby, blood of white baby. So Iyabo Ojo daughter should be investigated. The Canadian government. Iyabo Ojo daughter should be investigated. 3 months ago, she was not pregnant. There was no sign of pregnancy. When somebody is pregnant, ìyá ẹ̀ ò ní sọ pé wọ́n máa ṣe wedding yẹn ní ojoojúmọ́. What ye? One ní ṣe wedding yẹn ní ojoojúmọ́. They started 3 months. The wedding was like 3 months. Yes. They started the engagement. They came to Nigeria. Engagement. During the engagement, after this Tanzania one, they come back again. You know, that one was 2 days. Another one day. Now, after 1 month again, that was last month. Or 40 days ago. They complete that one in Tanzania. And during the Tanzania, did you see the Priscilla belly big like that? Did you, during the Tanzania, wedding that take place like 8 weeks ago, did you see her? I was in Nigeria when that one was taking place. Timon Tom flag you are olórí burúkú Esabod. Oh, jáde wá nsin kó wá sọ fún wa. Ìgbà tó ya photo pẹ̀lú ẹ̀yẹn ṣé inú Priscilla tóbi. Lẹ́yìn tó kúrò tó parí yẹn báyìí, wọ́n lọ wá bọ́n ṣe máa wọ nǹkan síkùn ni. Tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí wá fikùjó. Silly baby, Canadian governments. This is Canada that a lot of them lies against me. I'm in Nigeria right now to prove a lot of things, and police also, they are not still supporting me also up till now. And that's why I did the other video that day. United Nations should see to them. All these terrorists. Yes, I said it. That girl called Yabo. They are working for terrorists. A lot of people in this street of Nigeria, they are working on the streets, especially in this our tribe, Yoruba. They are not doing anything against them. They are not doing anything against the terrorists of Yoruba land. They are working. They are the one going to party, fronting everything, disturbing the media. Nothing being done against them. Nothing being done against them. But this atrocity now is what to take place in Canada. Please, if she's pregnant, okay, safe delivery. But if she's not yet 9 months, all eyes should be on Iyabo Ojo daughter. All eyes and Iyabo Ojo daughter in Canada and Iyabo herself. All eyes and all her supporter. All eyes should be on them. All eyes should be on them. Anybody attend to host one, the hoster, those who host them, those people around them, all eyes of Canada and Canada police should be on them. 3 months ago, during the Tanzania wedding, there was no pregnancy, no sign of belly or big tummy. Kosigan Chatier, and she's the one that always, she loves to open her belly. You know, she put on things that will expose her body. Okay? But aṣọ tó wọ̀ ní ọjọ́ yẹn nígbà wedding was fitted like this. All the clothes was fitted. And everybody said, and they started saying that the husband has a low sperm count. The husband cannot have a child. He dated somebody for 6 years and doesn't pregnant. You understand me? I follow the blog, but I never share them and I never say anything about this. Because I'm not looking for anybody downfall. I'm only exposing the evil one, especially when you are evil to others. When you are trying to pretend to the society that you are a good person and you are a demon, we expose you when the time comes. Iyabo Ojo baby, daughter, there was no sign of pregnancy 2 months ago. It's not even up to 2 months. Nígbà tó ń ṣe wedding in Tanzania. Is it up to 2 months? It's not up to 2 months. Now, ó ti ń ṣe baby shower. She's having a baby shower in Toronto. And that Toronto is under Ontario. It's under all of them, they're Ontario. You know, a lot of things happen in that Toronto. I don't want Nigeria baby, the Canada baby to be missing. I don't want that nonsense to be happening. What is happening in the Nigeria system, especially in our tribe here, to be happening there. There's nothing they cannot send them to do. They pay them a lot of money. They will pretend to you that they are working. They are more anubani. People love them. They are celebrity. They are this. I'm not saying all celebrity are like that. But some of these celebrity that are demon, that are evil, we have them like that among them. Okay? So, Canada government, let thorough checking. It's not because he's having baby in Canada. No. It's not because of that. But thorough checking. Eyes should be on them. They have a bad mission. Every eye, the government eyes and police should be on them. All eyes should be on them. Wọ́n lè fún tax kan sọ pé òyìnbó ni toró lòun fẹ́ jẹ deputy Lagos. Deputy ẹni tó bá lo Ìyábọ̀ fún kankan ó lè score anything going nowhere. You use anybody that use Ìyábọ̀ Òjó for any deputy, deputy of Kilele fẹ́ jẹ. fún Lagos state mi lè sọ state bò mí ní wọlé Ọlọ́run ò ní gbà yín láàyè because Iyabo Ojo supporting people that kill people children and he want our own child to be leading kò possible ẹni tó bá ti tajeru pé gbọ́dọ̀ gbowó òkúta. I'm not hating on her and I'm not hating anybody but for security purpose anytime tó bá ti commit offense tán go and be checking all of them when we are talking like this they'll be pointing up pé àwọn tó wà lókè if you don't know the meaning of that finger they used to point like this. They are pointing at all the people in authority that they are the one supporting them. They are the one sending them. That's what they said. So if you are not in authority, if you are not the one sending them to be destroying the citizen, innocent citizen, please, authority, see to them. See to them. I'm not saying that pété yon bá penetrate àbí tó bá rape yon kan ṣe nǹkan kan fún. But nígbà tó bá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn fún, kò report wọ́n gbà yẹn, ìyẹn ò ń ṣẹjọ́ tèmi. Ó ní mo ṣe sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan pé ó possible ó kàn ṣẹ́ kí gbogbo wọn ṣẹ́. Because ọmọ ìkan tó náà pa níjọ́ sí tó ló ń jẹ́ Mukaila wọ́n ló rúdù sí celebrate àgbàlagbà kan náà ni ó ń pè níyàwó ẹ̀ wọ́n bá gbé mọ́ra náà fún pọ́ìsì jẹ́ náà bá padà náà fi ṣe tuntun ayé mo sọ níjọ́ yẹn pé ọjọ́ tí kéwọ̀ ń ṣe òkú yẹ ni bọ̀bọ́ yẹn kú mi kì í pa irọ́ mọ̀yàn téèyàn bá tó bá ń ṣe nǹkan tó dẹ̀ ti pé tó bá jẹ́ pé ìwọ náà kọ́ ló dẹ̀ ń ṣe tó bá ti sọ pé ó lè ní ẹ́ o tó dẹ̀ rí pé wàá tó bá ti jí làárọ̀ wàá bá ìrù olè lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ìwọ náà wàá máa pariwo ní pé wọ́n máa ní olè ní mímì èmi máa kọ́ ni mo jí ẹrù yìí ẹ máa gbà mí ta ló tún gbé kíní kan síbí láti set me up you shout torí ẹ̀ lèmi ṣe máa ń pariwo when I see any movement when I notice any strange thing around me because I know that if I talk like this I know a lot of idiots a lot of criminals also want to set me up so that wọ́n lè yẹn mú wọ́n lè máa sọ pé nǹkan báyìí ṣó tán gbogbo ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ilé mi báyìí Iyabo Ojo is also part of it tí wọ́n wá tí ọmọ tó ń gbénu lé mi gbogbo tó ń ṣe yẹn ó wà ńbẹ̀ and I will give you apart from this now màá wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí download ẹ̀ fún yín you know gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ láti jọ ẹ̀mí kò mi sọ̀rọ̀ sí but once in a while I will talk about it so the Canadian government please focus on this lady don't let these people destroy your security at least to some level Canada is secure and safe even for children. A lot of people migrate to Canada because of their children. Accommodation may be expensive. They bear whatever they consider, any pain and every, trouble just for their children to be safe. Listening good. Iyabo Ojo said but her baby wants to have a baby. She wants to have a baby in Canada. But I believe it's not yet time, even if she's pregnant at all. Because 40 up to less than 2 months ni wọ́n ṣe ti Canada ń bẹ̀ yẹn wọ́n ṣe ti Tanzania there was no pregnancy in that baby tummy that her daughter is the sole sign of pregnancy tó bá lóyún sí ó lè ṣe lóyún o mi ní pé kò lóyún o I'm not saying she's not pregnant at all but people eyes should be open now let me show you I want to show something because kò dá kéèyàn sọ̀rọ̀ kó gbàgbé àbí kó má fi wọn I want to show you because gbogbo kíní náà ni Esabod sọ mi ò support Lizzy o mi ò support ẹ o èmi àti Lizzy ní case Lizzy gbogbo àwọn lawyer tí mo yìn pé wọ́n ṣì ń dodge ẹ nítorí pé wọ́n ní àwọn tí Lizzy ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún wọn ní agbára Lagos State àti Nigeria wọ́n pe pẹ̀sìdó so mi ò support ẹ o but gbogbo yẹn ni wọ́n sọ nípa Lizzy gbà yẹn bí wọ́n ṣe ń show gbogbo kò ní dá fún mosquito yẹn wo tí Ìyábọ̀ bá di mosquito a máa pa ni mi ní ṣoríire mosquito wèrè wọn ni. I want to show you now. I want to show you something. Listen, look at it. Why it wasn't pause? Watch this video. Watch video. Emma, when you're male. Emma, one. Kì í ṣe orin yẹn la fẹ́ gbọ́. Watch fẹ́ gbọ́ orin yẹn. Ẹ wo ọmọ ẹ o ẹ máa wo ọmọ yẹn lẹ́yìn o you check the back you see kò fẹ́ kẹ́nìbọ̀dì ẹ máa wo ó súnmọ́ gan kò jẹ́ kẹ́nìbọ̀dì ẹ máa wo ó ti bá ṣẹ́rí ẹ̀yìn ọmọ yẹn ṣẹ́rí nǹkan tọmọ yẹn wọ̀ check the back of that girl àwọn èèyàn gan fẹ́ ṣẹ́tìrí àwọn èèyàn fẹ́ máa fọwọ́ kàn ṣẹ́tìrí ṣẹ́ni tó lóyún check the back of that girl ẹ jẹ́ ká wò ẹ jẹ́ ká padà wò ẹ jẹ́ àwò ok mú bọ̀ jẹ́ kí n ṣe síbẹ̀ mú bọ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká wò ó sí ṣẹ́tìrí ṣẹ́rẹ́ èèyàn mọ̀ yẹn ṣẹ́tìrí do you see the back did you see ṣẹ́ni tó lóyún máa wọ mo lè sọ pé ìbá sọ pé wọ gádù pé wọ body hug ṣẹ́ni tó lóyún máa wọ ṣẹ́rí nǹkan tí ṣẹ́rí what is that mú bọ̀ náà. ẹ jẹ́ àwò dáadáa ẹ jẹ́ àwò mo fẹ́ kì í ṣe orin yẹn ni mo fẹ́ ẹ máa wẹ̀yìn ẹ o gbà torí pé àwọn èèyàn fẹ́ máa fọ ọkàn lẹ́yìn ta ni wèrè wọ ìgbà táwọn èèyàn fẹ́ máa fọwọ́ kan ọmọ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó lẹ́yìn ẹ lọ ibẹ̀ yẹn gbà tó fẹ́ máa fọ ọkàn lẹ́yìn obìnrin kan tó wà ní Canada tó máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn gbà tó fẹ́ máa fọ ọkàn lẹ́yìn ó fọwọ́ ẹ̀ bó ṣe fi ọwọ́ tiẹ̀ bó ṣe fọwọ́ gbé ọmọ yẹn lẹ́yìn ọwọ́ ibibẹ̀ yẹn ibi tí àwọn èèyàn fẹ́ fọwọ́ kàn yẹn because àwọn èèyàn gan wọ́n fọwọ́ kàn lẹ́yìn ṣe to understand wọ́n rí bẹ̀ yẹn ṣó ti yẹyìn bó ṣe fẹ́ fọwọ́ kàn lẹ́yìn ló ń bá fọwọ́ gbé ó wá ní kó lọ jókòó ẹ máa wò ó ẹ já wò ní ìsọ pé kò lóyún o bọ̀ kò tí ì tó bímọ ṣó ti yẹyìn so ibi tó ti fẹ́ rọmọ ṣẹ́tìrí kí ló wọ̀ sẹ́yìn yẹn kí ló wọ̀ yẹn kí ni nǹkan tó wọ̀ ṣẹ́ni tó lóyún máa wọ gbogbo nǹkan tó wà ní tó yọ ọkọ̀ tó lẹ́gbẹ̀gbẹ̀ báyìí kí ló wọ̀ èmi ò gbogbo kíní ní Esabod ṣe fún Lizzy ní ìgbà yẹn èmi gan gbà tó ń ṣe yẹn you know because èmi kò sí crime lẹ́jẹ̀ mi lè sọ pé mo luko Ọlọ́run kan fi because tó bá ti já sí gbogbo àwọn crime scene wọn yẹn wọ́n believe pé you are from village ni mo dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ pé village tí mo ti wá Ọlọ́run ò fi crime sẹ́jẹ̀ mi ṣó ti yẹn ìgbà tí mo ní oyún ẹ jẹ́ àwò dáadáa ẹ jẹ́ àwò lẹ́ǹkan sí ẹ jẹ́ àwò lẹ́ǹkan sí I'm not hating on her o I'm not hating on her o shey you see what is that at the back ìwọ wèrè wo lélẹ̀ tó ń show face ẹ̀ ń bí what is that kí ló wà lẹ́yìn ẹ̀yẹn wetin be that ẹ jẹ́ kó ìyẹn ẹ máa rí o but táwọn èèyàn fẹ́ máa fọ ọkàn lẹ́yìn táwọn èèyàn ṣẹ́tìrí what is that kí ni gbogbo yẹn ṣẹ́tìrí ó wá fọwọ́ bò ṣẹ́rí bó ṣe rí pé wọ́n fẹ́ máa fi ọwọ́ kan àwọn èèyàn fẹ́ máa fọwọ́ kan ibẹ̀ yẹn ṣẹ́rí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó fúnra rẹ̀ bó ṣe fọwọ́ gbé nìyẹn ṣé wàá gbé wá ní kó lọ jókòó torí rí pé àwọn èèyàn fẹ́ máa touch ẹ̀ because people too they can pretend well pé wọ́n support ẹ̀ kán dẹ̀ máa ti mọ̀ pé kí ni irọ́ màá ní kò máa ní kankan ṣó ti yé yín do you understand kí ló wọ̀ yẹn kí ló wà ní gbogbo ẹ̀yẹn kí ló ṣe gbágungbàgun lẹ́yìn Priscilla yẹn kí ló ṣe gbágungbàgun lẹ́yìn Priscilla kí ló ṣe gbágungbàgun lẹ́yìn Priscilla ẹ jẹ́ n play kẹ́ rí dáadáa kó má dà pé bẹ̀yẹn nìkan ó yá ẹ wò kí ló ṣe gbágungbàgun ṣẹ́tìrí bó ṣe rí pé wọ́n fẹ́ máa fọwọ́ kan lẹ́yìn obìnrin kan fọwọ́ kan lẹ́yìn bó ṣe ń gbé lọ fúnra rẹ̀ nìyẹn kí ló ṣe gbágungbàgun lẹ́yìn ṣẹ́ni tó bá kí ló ṣe gbágungbàgun lẹ́yìn when you know this girl before tó bá rí bí tó ti máa múra wàá mọ̀ pé kò ní gbogbo kọ̀tọ̀ kò ní kọ̀tọ̀ lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ kò ní kọ̀tọ̀ kí ni kọ̀tọ̀ wo ló wà ní gbogbo bẹ̀yẹ ìgbà tẹ́ bá tún ṣe nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ̀ ní fẹ́ kí tọ́lọ̀ máa fẹ́ mú yín tọ́lọ̀ máa mú yín kí ló ní tó tiẹ̀ lè wọ aṣọ tó tiẹ̀ free díẹ̀ aṣọ míì ẹlòmíì aṣọ tó free ó lè jẹ́ mini á free ń bí báyìí ló máa wọ̀ ìwọ tún jẹ́ kó wọ̀ bóyá ẹni tó kọ́ ẹ ó tún jẹ́ kó wọ̀ gbogbo ara ẹni tó wọ̀ sísàlẹ̀ ó ń ṣò nísàlẹ̀ Look, go and check it now. She Priscilla ní kò tó lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ni. Olórí burúkú wo ló sọ pé only how does that be, I mean, only how does that your headache? Olórí burúkú à ń sọ̀rọ̀ criminal, à ń sọ̀rọ̀ crime, bó sọ pé that is our headache. If you go to Canada and you lie, you are committing that crime here and you want to be destroying the system and I'm exposed in Shani. Mo mọ nǹkan tó ti ṣe ní Nàìjíríà yìí láti sọ pé bóyá nǹkan kó ṣẹ́kẹ́ṣẹkẹ̀ sọ́wọ́ mi. Kò lè possible torí pé I will expose them. And I'm not going to go around anybody, show anybody believe me. I won't play with anybody. Kì í ṣe pé bóyá mo kanra. I know that ẹni tó fẹ́ sun jò gbọ́dọ̀ fi kún para. Ó yá wèrè ní tó sọ pé kí ni ó ní that is how people will come out to shine. Let me tell you, if I do bad thing, do it for my daughter. A sọ pé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó pa èèyàn, ó support àwọn tó ń pa èèyàn. Ó gba owó, ó fi àkáǹtì ẹ̀ gba owó báyìí, ó tún sọ pé òun ò gba owó tó ń ṣe èpè. Pẹ́ni tó bá ti bà tọmọlọ́mọ jẹ́, tọmọlọ́mọ wo ni wọ́n bàjẹ́. I'm saying that Canada government should focus. Ṣáà ní kó má bímọ ni. Kó sọ̀kalẹ̀ láyọ̀ àtàlàáfíà. Ọlọ́run tó sọ̀kalẹ̀ láyọ̀. But government should focus attention. Ní ibi báyìí ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà yìí, àwọn kan tó pera wọn ní blogger tó ti sọra wọn di celebrity. Wíbí náà ti lórí media náà ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ pé wọ́n fẹ́ ra ọmọ kan ní 7 million. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni fúnra wọn ni wọ́n wá ṣàlàyé ara wọn. Ní ìgbà yẹn, ìyá olówó tó bẹ̀ wọ́n pé kán máa gbógun tì mí. Àṣírí wọn padà tú ni, kò sí nǹkan tí Nigeria government ṣe fún ìyá olówó náà àti gbogbo àwọn tó ń ṣe òṣì yẹn tó sponsor wọn. Kò sí nǹkan tó ń ṣe fún wọn. Orí media náà ti expose ara wọn. Tí wọ́n negotiate pẹ̀lú àwọn twins. Tó bá ti rí pé èèyàn lóyún báyìí, wọ́n á ní kó lọ ṣe scan, wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí fún lówó. Wọ́n fẹ́ gba ọmọ yẹn ni. Ọmọ yẹn náà máa sọ dọmọ wọn. Ọmọ wọn yẹn London wọ́n náà kọ́kọ́ máa ń kó wọn lọ. Pàtó kọ́kọ́ sọ story yẹn, mo wí pé ṣó possible. Wọ́n náà máa ń kó wọn lọ London, wọ́n á gba ọmọ bí, wọ́n kó wọn lọ London. Bóyá wọ́n tún jí ọmọ ní London náà, wọ́n tún gbé wọn wálé. I don't understand. Wọ́n jí ọmọ, wọ́n ní wọ́n jí ọmọ ní ìlú America náà. Wọ́n ní wọ́n tún Canada ń sin America àti yàrí mú wọn lọ́wọ́. Canada ń sin ni wọ́n fẹ́ descend on. And we are calling Canadian government. Ṣebí Canada government rí wa àjálẹ̀ àdẹ̀ṣe nǹkan burúkú. Wọ́n lè parọ́ mọ́ akọ́rò ìpá àwọn kan wà favor àbí kó jẹ́ pé a sọ nǹkan kan tó yẹ pé ó really touch àwọn kan nípò agbára. I know ìkọ́ndẹ̀ fi kanra bá mi jà. Wọ́n mọ̀ pé ọmọ tó dání mi ò involve nínú bad thing. Wọ́n lè sọ pé Auto Bola gba credit pé mo ní káàdì mo fi sanwó lé mo jẹ́wọ́ lé mi ti san. Mi ò jalè ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. I'm not involved in bad thing. Kí ló lè tẹ̀sán pò ti bímọ? Ó ṣe baby shower. Tí wọ́n bá ti pé 9 months ló máa ṣe baby shower. 3 months ago ló ṣe wedding. Èyí tó ṣe ní Tanzania last about 2 months ago. Kò tiẹ̀ tẹ́ bá lọ wò. Kí ló dé ẹ lọ gbé gbogbo fídíò bí wedding Priscilla tó ti ń jó gbogbo aṣọ tó wọ̀ yẹn lọ́jọ́ wedding yẹn ẹ gbé síta ká máa rí. Kò síbi tó ti wọ aṣọ tó ṣe gẹ̀rẹ̀jẹ̀. Go and post all the video. Wọ́n palẹ̀ mọ́. Kí ló tó palẹ̀ mọ́? Ìgbà tó fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí show ti pregnancy, wọ́n palẹ̀ mọ́ ti video ti wedding ni. Kò tí yẹ kó kúrò lórí media náà. Ẹ máa show ibi tó ti ń ṣe wedding yẹn, gbogbo aṣọ tó wọ̀. Kò sí aṣọ kankan tó jẹ́ aṣọ flared nínú ẹ̀, gbogbo ẹ̀ fitted ni. Even tó lọ ṣe láfter ìmọ̀ tó ṣe ti Nigeria, wọ́n lọ ṣe ti Tanzania finally. Tí wọ́n tún sọ pé ṣé kò dẹ̀ tí ì tó, ṣé tó bá lóyún wọ́n máa ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀, tó máa múra, tó máa lọ, tó máa bọ̀, tó máa ṣe wàhálà bẹ́ẹ̀. Irọ́ bàbá ńlá irọ́ ni. Tó bá lóyún kò tí ì lè pé 9 months. Stop your bullshit and don't destroy our system. Some of you pretend as if you are pregnant. Then you'll be dancing with the pregnancy. Come on, oh no, Facebook not fair. Validating you pé she's pregnant actually. So that people will shut up. They won't be able to talk. You first of all go and attack them on the Facebook. So that people will be believing you. If she's pregnant 2 months ago, kò tí lè tó 9 months nísìn. Stop your bullshit. Tó bá tún sọ pé London ló fẹ́ lọ bímọ sí, a máa gbọ́. But Canada ló fẹ́ bímọ sí, a gbọ́dọ̀ call attention of Canadians. ó ti yé because ọwọ́ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó mo rí nígbà tí mo wà ní Canada gbogbo nǹkan wọ́n lò gidi gan fún mi fún burúkú so tó máa pretend lórí social media torí pé wọ́n máa believe pé wọ́n fẹ́ cover ẹnu èèyàn tó bá ti lè sọ tòótọ́ kan báyìí wọ́n máa wà nínú group ni ẹ jẹ́ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ máa ń ṣí group lórí burúkú tẹ́ máa fẹ́ lọ invite mi yẹn tó bá invite mi sí group kan ikú máa pa ẹ́ má invite mi ò ṣe gbẹ̀yìn ẹ̀yin wèrè kan tẹ́ ṣe join blog lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta if you invite me tó kàn sọ pé join this blog má ṣépè fún yàrá yẹn ni don't do that to me. Canadian government should take note and watch very well. If they should open their eyes. Kí ló wọ̀ ńbẹ̀ yẹn ẹ jẹ́ ń share sórí page mi men tó blog ẹ o ẹni tó bá tún lójú inú ẹ lọ wò dáadáa kí ló wọ̀ ṣé Priscilla àní gbàgùngbàgùn lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ṣé ó ní kọ̀ǹtọ̀ lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ṣé Priscilla àní kọ̀ǹtọ̀ aṣọ tó sì wọ̀ ní lẹ́yìn tó ló ṣe Tanzania wedding tán tó ń ṣe wedding tó wà nínú kinní ní gbogbo ẹ̀ pátá la follow kì í ṣe pa follow wọn máa tag wa náà ni ṣé ó ní kọ̀ǹtọ̀ lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ bó ní kọ̀ǹtọ̀ ti yọ ẹ jẹ́ àṣì ẹ̀ lé go and check if your naked eyes. 2 months ago ní ọmọ ṣe ìyàwó tí Tanzania wedding ò tí ì pé 2 months. Tanzania wedding kò tí ì pé 2 months. Okay, you know what? I'm screenshotting your everything. Má rò pé ìwọ tó sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ó ní Ìkọ̀tún na Ìkọ̀tún you dey. Ó ní na Ìkọ̀tún they will later stone you to pay finally. Mumbo mitidi. Mumbo. Because we say the truth. We expose your bullshit. Kò ní dá fún yàlá yà yín. Stone you to death. Ikú bó ṣe máa stone Ìyábọ̀ to dead nìyẹn. Ìyábọ̀ ló yẹ fún ikú òkú. Ó nìyẹn. Okay? Can see that screenshot all your threats. I screenshot all your threats. All your threats. I screenshot all of them. Ó ti yé ẹ máa rò pé èyí tẹ́ ṣe ń jọ́sẹ̀ rò pé ti ṣe àṣegbé. Kò sáṣegbé kankan láyé àtìpamọ́ ló wà. Ó ti yé. Ó bá rò pé mo máa san owó each petition 200,000. Màá wá san wá wá ní pé wàá máa send him. Only screenshot it, Ìyábọ̀ Kútì. Only screenshot it. Who cares? I know you terrorists of Yoruba people, you are working on the ẹ̀rìn lórí street. Tí wọ́n bá ṣe kankan tí wọ́n máa query ìjọba fún. Àwọn tó bá ti yánsà máa pariwo. Ìjọba la máa pè. So, ìyẹn ti Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ní àárọ̀ the Nigeria government I noticed that because gbogbo wọn pátápátá tó bá yánsìn wọ́n máa lọ náwó sókè báyìí ni wọ́n ní government ni wọ́n máa náwó sókè so the all Nigerians too they be believing that Nigerians the government are the one destroying single-handedly destroying Nigeria wọn ò ní sọ pé àwọn náà wèrè tó wà nílùú náà wọ́n destroy èèyàn o mo ṣe sọ pé Nigeria government see to this your name have been blackmailed. Nigeria government, your name have been listed. Want to blacklist you? So I want to show you something now, and I will go out of this room. You are mad. What is different between you and Lizzy? Oh shit, me. Ṣé mo ṣépè fún ọmọ ńsìn? Mi lè ṣépè fún ọmọ. Ṣé mo ṣépè fún ní tó bá bímọ? But mo sọ pé kí ìjọba Canada kún ọ̀nà ojúmọ́ dáadáa. Criminal ni Ìyábọ̀. So secondly, Sherry mo ń ṣèjì gbogbo lẹ̀kúnnú lé. I change mo sanwó láti change àwọn lẹ̀kùn yìí ṣé ti rí níjọ́ yẹn ṣe rí pé wọ́n gbà tó máa ṣe lẹ̀kùn ìtàn ṣé ti yé yín mẹ́yẹn ṣe rí bọ́n ṣe ní kí wọ́n fún wọn ní ọ̀dà ní ìmọ̀ ẹni tí kú máa pa tó ní kí wọ́n ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣẹ́ ti rí mo sanwó owó tí mo sọ fún àwọn guys tó ṣe lẹ̀kùn yìí níjọ́ yẹn mo san extra money like 15,000 extra fún wọn lẹ́yìn náà mo ra oúnjẹ fún gbogbo wọn yes I gave money I feed all of them tí ó yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ̀kùn yìí kò ṣí látọjọ́ tán ti ṣí látijọ́ tán ti ṣe àná ni wọ́n ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá ṣe wọ́n ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ẹnìkan ṣẹ̀ wá bá mi ṣe nínú wọn ṣe ti rí igi tó yẹ kó ń yọ lókè mẹ́ẹ̀ tán fi support kìíní ẹgbà tán ṣe tó yẹ kó ń ṣe tán wọ́n ní kán má ṣe because they are so mad so ti yé yín mẹ́yẹn they are so mad eléyìí náà ṣe ti rí ṣe rí eléyìí normally ṣe rí pé wọn ẹni tó ṣe báyìí sí wọ́n ní kó ṣe náà bó ṣe ní kó ṣe nìyẹn wọ́n bìlí pé kó bàjẹ́ ẹ ti understand so wọn ò ṣàṣe dáadáa anyway ti yé yín ó ní screenshot all the evidence who care ìyálàyà yín sẹ́ẹ̀ a máa pe tá bá ti pe Nigeria government tí wọ́n bá ṣe nǹkan kan sọ̀rọ̀ yín a máa pe Canada a máa pe United Nations ó ti yé yín mẹ́yẹn a máa pe United Nations lòṣì àwọn criminal ń lọ káàkiri gbogbo ìgboro olórí burúkú wọn so Canada government we've been calling Nigeria ó dẹ̀ pé wọ́n ní torí a máa rí ngbà míì bó ṣe máa gbé ọmọ president yẹn a fi ya photo wọn a máa tag wa wọ́n máa ṣọ́ báyìí kò jẹ́ mí ẹnìkan kò lè lọ máa ya photo pẹ̀lú àwọn people ní power kún abẹ́rẹ́ sí ní máa fi da ìgboro rú kán máa payàn kán máa ba yéèyàn jẹ́ kán máa bẹ̀wọ́ kán lọ máa attack èèyàn face to face kán máa ní ká má sọ̀rọ̀ ní ìlú tó jọ bí gbogbo wa sí kò ní dáa kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ o kò ní dáa kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Again, mo ti share clean yẹn sórí platform so n tí mo sọ ní àárọ̀ yìí ẹ lọ take note of it gbà tí ọmọ yẹn lóyún àmì tó bímọ tó ṣe gbogbo ìyàwó for 3 months inú ẹ̀ kò show sign pé lóyún so ti yé kò show sign pé lóyún gbogbo aṣọ tó dẹ̀ wọ̀ kò síbì kan tó ti wọṣọ tán sọ pé okay o free gown maternity gown ló wọ̀ yìí o pé bóyá ó fi ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ pátá ló wà fitted ó ti yé àdẹ̀ bá yé anybody jẹ́ mo sọ pé tó bá lóyún o ìsọ̀kalẹ̀ àǹfààní àwọn ò kì í ṣe èèyàn tó máa èèyàn mélòó ní Ìyábọ̀ gbàdúrà fún tó máa ní pé eré lòun ṣe Ìyábọ̀ ń pa ayé èèyàn jẹ́ ni Ìyábọ̀ ń ṣe ìkà Ìyábọ̀ ó ń pa ayé èèyàn jẹ́ ni ó mo ṣe mọ̀ pé Wùmí kan tí wọ́n ní wọ́n ń pariwo yẹn gan kò ṣe Wùmí ló ní wọ́n ń support kò ṣe Wùmí ni wọ́n ń cover ta ni wọ́n ń cover òun kọ́ nìyẹn wọ́n ní ọmọ ẹ̀ fẹ́ Stephen Kesh àbí mi ìwẹ̀ntọ́ ló fẹ́ nínú ilé Malian tipẹ́tipẹ́ ló ti fẹ́ olórin Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ ti wá ṣe tiẹ̀ fún ẹ but wọ́n make sure pé wọ́n kọ́kọ́ rùn ẹnìkan kan tó gbẹ́ nìkan wá sókè it's a bad thing now nígbà tó ti ṣe ìyàwó Tanzania yẹn tán ti ń drag yẹn lady tó ló drag ní Tanzania lady yẹn ló ti sọ pé wọ́n ti blog London blogging yẹn mo screenshot ẹ̀ ó wà lọ́wọ́ mi for future purpose wọ́n wá gbé gẹ́ẹ̀sì gẹ́yẹn bọ̀bọ́ yẹn tó kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ tó ti lọ fẹ́ ọmọ Nàìjíríà kan wọ́n gbé jáde pé ńgbà tó fẹ́ gẹ́yẹn ti bí ọmọ méjì wọ́n nígbà tó ń déètì bọ̀bọ́ yẹn kò lóyún for like 6 years tán jọ wà mi ò sọ pé rọ́ ni mi sọ pé òótọ́ ni ó dẹ̀ lè fẹ́ proof ń sìn pé ṣe mọ́ sọ pé kò lè bímọ pé ló ní ló scam anybody can have problem and tó bá dẹ̀ yẹ pé o gbé surrogacy àwọn èèyàn ń gbé some people because of their tummy they don't want to have any wọ́n fẹ́ ní wọ́n fẹ́ tummy wọn flat kó wà bó ṣe wà wọ́n máa ní kẹ́ni ẹlòmíì bá wọn gbé ọmọ wọn it's possible but bóyá wọ́n ti bá gbé ọmọ yẹn tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ o kó tó di pé lóyún o àbí kó tó di pé ṣe ìyàwó bó bá jẹ́ ìyẹn ló fẹ́ ṣe fine but oyún tó sọ pé tí wá fẹ́ pé 9 months nígbà tó ṣe ìyàwó tí oyún ẹ̀ ò tí ìyàwó yẹn ò tí pé 3 months bàbá láàárọ̀ ni ó ti yẹyin mo ní oyún gbà tí mo ti slim gan tí mi ò tiẹ̀ tí wọ 20 something ṣó ti yẹyin téèyàn máa hide oyún gan ó máa show gan tó bá ti pé 3 months báyìí kò síbi tó fẹ́ hide sí ṣó ti yẹ so ó lóyún first pregnancy ẹ̀ kò show ní ara ẹ̀ kò show ní kùn ẹ̀ ikú ẹ̀ flat bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn kò dé wáṣọ kan tó jẹ́ pé free kọ́ mọ̀ bá sọ pé fi bò mọ́lẹ̀ ó wá dé nísìn after 40 bóyá bíi 8 weeks later ẹ wá sọ pé ó ti fẹ́ lọ bímọ sí Canada ó ti fẹ́ lọ bímọ sí Canada àwárí ẹ̀yẹn ló wó aṣọ yẹn ìgbà tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó rí pé wọ́n fẹ́ máa tẹ̀ lẹ́yìn àwọn kan rí pé nǹkan kan ń ṣò lẹ́yìn ẹ̀ wọ́n fẹ́ fi sísẹ̀ máa tẹ̀ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó fọwọ́ kọ lẹ́yìn yẹn kó má bàa rọwọ́ fi bobẹ̀ yẹn ó dẹ̀ gbé lọ sórí síìtì pé kó lọ jókòó tó bá ti lọ jókòó yẹn anybody ò ní lè access ẹ̀ mọ́ kán tẹ̀sẹ̀ wò bóyá ó lóyún àbí kò lóyún bóyá ó wọ nǹkan àbí kò wọ nǹkan ẹ lọ wò náà ṣe rí téèyàn bá ti ń ṣe ìkà tó bá ti ń ṣe ìkà wọ́n máa já rẹ̀ ní ó dẹ̀ máa wò wàá rí kò sí bí yóò ṣe ní máa tú ó máa tú síta eléyìí mi ò ètì ọmọ yẹn wàláì mo gbàdúrà fún bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo gbàdúrà fún but anybody ní bá jáde tì mí tó lórí burúkú Ìyábọ̀ Òjó tó máa ṣe ìkà fáwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ tó máa ṣe ìkà tó odidi ọmọ ẹ̀mí sọnù kó má tiẹ̀ jóun ló pa wọ́n má jẹ́ nítorí kò sí bí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ò ṣe lọ́wọ́ nínú ikú ọmọ yẹn wàláì kò sí kò ṣe Wùmí ló support kò ṣe Wùmí she pretend àwa tó máa gbé ọmọ Mohbad sẹ́sẹ̀ kọ́ máa lè sọ pé ìyá gidi ni ìyá burúkú gbáà ní Ìyábọ̀ Òjó Mohbad kú olóró síbẹ̀ tó lọ rẹ́rìn kò sẹ́ni tó notice other people tó wọ bẹ̀yẹn tó rẹ́rìn Ìyábọ̀ ló kọ́kọ́ bú sẹ́rìn tó ra casket ọjọ́ tí ìyá ẹ̀ tó darúgbó tó kú kò máa rẹ́rìn Mohbad kú ọmọ kékeré tó jẹ́ ẹgbẹ́ ọmọ ẹ̀ ẹyẹ age-mate lòun àti Priscilla àbí òun àti ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ Priscilla tó ń pè ní investor ó máa kú ó dẹ̀ lọ síbi tó ti fẹ́ lọ ra pósí ó dẹ̀ rẹ́rìn bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ dẹ̀ máa sọ pé she is a good person olórí burúkú ni gbogbo yín a mọ̀ pé terrorist pọ̀ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá yìí gbogbo yín pátá lẹ ti múlẹ̀ ẹ̀yin ọmọ òṣì wọn yẹn lẹ ti múlẹ̀ láti ba yé others jẹ́ ṣé àwọn tó ń pa yẹn kò ń ṣèyàn ló bí wọn we say no to killing and bullshit and terrorism yín Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ń ṣe fún terrorism mo ti sọ for long time mo ti sọ kò ń ṣe sìn tẹ́ bá wo dáadáa àwọn tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún they are terrorists àwọn tó dẹ̀ pa Mohbad they are terrorists téèyàn bá ṣe ẹ ìgbà tó sọ pé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ń kọ àwọn bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà wọn ló fàdíyà ń bì kan ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ rán lọ sẹ́wọ̀n tó bá dẹ̀ ṣẹ̀wọ̀n ẹ̀tàn sí ajáde ó ṣe gbé Mohbad tó wá jẹ́ pé òun náà wà nínú àwọn tó sọ pé ó lo forceful entry fún ọmọ ẹ tẹ́ máa fi pa wọn Londonnet tẹ́ máa sọ pé ayé wọn máa bàjẹ́ ni wàá gbé wọn síta torí mi mọ nǹkan tó máa fi bá èèyàn sùn tó tún máa gbé ọmọ ẹ lọ́bẹ̀ nobody kò sí mo má jẹ́ ń tàn yín I forfeit any relationship for my daughter's sake mo lè wọnú relationship nísì because my daughter is ó ti mature ó ti pé 20 mo forfeit gbogbo relationship ni for my daughter's sake ìwọ ó máa gbé ọmọ oláwọn ọmọ àtàwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ ó máa kó wọn wàá wá máa rán wọn lọ bìkan kó tó di pé Mohbad kú ò sọ jáde pé wọ́n fún àwọn ọmọ kan ní drug mo bá jẹ́ tòótọ́ are you a mother useless or you are just okùn wà nǹkan tẹ́ máa fi bojú gbogbo owó royalty àti gbogbo owó Mohbad ń sìn ẹ máa ti fi ṣayé ẹ máa dẹ̀ máa gbọ́mọ ẹ̀sẹ̀sẹ̀ máa ra iPad wèrè kan àwọn yẹn máa bìí pé ó dẹ̀ nice yìí ó dẹ̀ nice gbogbo àwọn tí ó bá gọ̀ ni ó máa ń gbé ìgúnnu yẹn nobody like us will never fall for that gimmick you are playing dirty role ni dirty game pátápátá ló ń play Ìyábọ̀ Òjó you are a bad person ọjọ́ tí o kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ ṣe ìyàwó yẹn Nàìjíríà bí mo ṣe dé sí Nàìjíríà báyìí ọjọ́ tẹ́ fẹ́ ṣe ìyàwó tó pẹ́ fẹ́ wọṣọ wèrè kan tó wà stone beaded aṣọ mi yẹn kẹ̀dẹ̀ mo ti rà láti 2021 gan mo ti rà mo kàn gbé wá sí Nàìjíríà pé òkè tí bá wọ Nàìjíríà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tó pé ó bá ṣọwọ́ nínú àníwọ̀ ní Canada tá bá wọ nínú ilé akọ̀ máa bọ́lẹ̀ ni mi bí báyìí tí bá wọ mo lè wọ jáde torí Nàìjíríà la wà wẹ́dà wa kẹ̀dẹ̀ rédè ẹ̀gbá láyé ń bá mu wá o inú ilé ni mo ti ń wọ̀ látọdún tí mo ti rà jẹ́ ń wọlé nǹkan Nàìjíríà kí n drop ẹ̀ sí Nàìjíríà o ń bá gbé wá sí Nàìjíríà torí pé fẹ́ wọ stone beaded kìíní ọmọ Yíbò tó gbaṣọ tí nínú hòtẹ́ẹ̀ tí mo wà wọ́n dẹ̀ bá gbaṣọ mi jẹ́ mo pariwo ń gbà yẹn mo ní Ìyábọ̀ wá jèrè iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ ẹ̀ mo dákẹ́ mo ní Ọlọ́run gbogbo wọn pátá àṣírí wọn má jò bò ṣọwọ́ ọwọ́ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó gbogbo ẹni tó kó ònúlé tán ba nulé jẹ́ gbogbo àwọn tó lónúlé celebrate ni wọn àti gbogbo àwọn ọmọ yẹn máa ṣe tán wọn máa bẹ̀bẹ̀ kí má gbé lọ sí court kí má gbé lọ sí jẹ wọ́n ti kọ́ mo ti sanwó fún lọ́ọ̀yà ó ti competition yẹn ọlọ́pàá ti ní kí wá lálágbọ́n mi kàn fẹ́ sọjọ́ tí mo fẹ́ lọ bẹ̀ ni torí àti lọ́ọ̀yà wa àti lọ́ọ̀yà anybody mi ò trust anybody any day I want to go there I won't tell anybody I'll just go there torí mi lè jẹ́ kéèyàn lọ set me up lọ́nà mi sọ pé lọ́ọ̀yà máa set èèyàn up o but in this Nigeria anything happen I trust nobody bí mo ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí mo trust anybody mo trust ìyá tó bí mi mi trust my firstborn mi trust brother àti sister mi trust anybody mo sọ so why will I me ma so the case is kò sí bó ṣe fẹ́ kú that case yẹn mo ti san 200 ni wọ́n gbà láti competition yẹn after that mo dẹ̀ tún ti fún wọn ní approval is 50,000 mo ti fún wọn ní owó fún approval of the petition so tell me bó mo ṣe máa forgo ẹ̀ mi ì lè forgo ẹ̀ tó wálé mi tó sọ pé now ìkọ̀tún yẹn náà máa ti stone me to death ìyálàjà yín ẹ̀ ní dúró wò ó bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún yín ẹ̀ ní dúró wò tán jẹ́ ń sọ fún yín mission yín ti ń bàjẹ́ all things that you want to use to set me ẹ máa rí pé ilé mi somebody say you want to investigate ó fẹ́ invest sínú ilé mi ó kọ gbogbo àwọn a lot of things tí kìíní yẹn pay business ẹ bá fail for 1 second after 12 days òun máa gba ilé mi lọ́wọ́ mi tí pọ̀ tó ìrọ́bọ bálá mo kàn wó báyìí mo kàn wí pé àdúrà lèmi máa fi ṣe ogun yín bó ṣe gbà yẹn bó ṣe wish mi ló ṣe máa rí fún ẹ tó bá ṣe àkójọ tó bá ní nǹkan rere tó ṣàṣeyọrí tán àwọn nǹkan tí ò tó nǹkan náà máa fi gbà sọnù lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ayé yín bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn káyé mi rí láyé yín máa rí àtẹ̀yìn torí bí ìbáyé èèyàn jẹ́ mi ìdẹ̀ ìjàyàn lólè ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo dẹ̀ ń sọ iná ayé ọ̀rọ̀ ẹlòmíì bàbá Mohbad ọjọ́ tí mo ti dé àbí mo sọ pé mo fẹ́ àbí mo gbọ́ lọ́rọ̀ rẹ̀ Mohbad àbí mo sọ pé mo fẹ́ rí bàbá ẹ̀ àbí ìyá ẹ̀ but we are saying nothing but the truth somebody sitting somewhere destroying people's children wọ́n bá ti ṣe ẹ̀ṣẹ́ pípa ní the next thing tó máa pa wọ́n who gave you the audacity ta ló fún yín access láti máa pa èèyàn ẹ̀yin tẹ̀lé ń pa èèyàn yín náà lẹ́ máa jáde lẹ́ máa gbójú yín sí kámẹ́rà ẹ̀yin lẹ́ máa jáde lẹ́ máa lọ pátí náà máa kọrin fún yín lẹ́ máa ṣòṣì bí ẹran níwò ẹ̀yin terrorist ẹ̀ ń rìn kiri ìgboro ó ní o à ń tú yín láṣìkò rẹ̀ sí nǹkan kan tó lè ṣe mí nǹkan kan ò ní ṣe mí o ẹ gbà bẹ́ẹ̀ dáhùn ẹ lè ṣe ju àwọn tẹ́ ẹrún ládùúgbò yẹn pé ṣé ẹ ládùúgbò yẹn kàn bú mi dáadáa wọ́n mọ mímí wọ́n jẹ oúnjẹ mi wọ́n jẹ epo mi wọ́n jata mi ò ní nǹkan kan tí mo fẹ́ gbà lọ́wọ́ wọn ẹ dẹ̀ ní nǹkan kan tẹ́ fẹ́ ọ̀fà àwọn ju pé kẹ́ bá yé wọn jẹ́ lọ tẹ́ bá ti bá yé wọn jẹ́ kẹ́ dump wọn kẹ́ dẹ̀ máa pa wọn lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan bí ẹran kẹ́ máa fi wọn ṣètùtù ayé that's the only thing you have for them and you pretend wisely to them pé ẹ fẹ́ràn wọn ni wọ́n dẹ̀ máa rí yín bí celebrate my food celebrate my food mo ti ṣe ẹ̀yẹn sórí platform mi ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ lọ wò ó dáadáa ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ lọ wo ibi tí ọmọ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó yẹ bí tó ti náà ṣe baby shower tán ti ṣe baby shower yẹn àwọn èèyàn fẹ́ máa tẹ̀ lára báyìí ìgbà tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó sí pé wọ́n fẹ́ fi system touch ibibẹ̀ yẹn kí ló wú lára ọmọdé ní ẹ̀yìn ní gbogbo ẹ̀gbẹ̀gbẹ́ ẹni tó kọ́kọ́ ní oyún for the first time ikùn yẹn máa wá sókè báyìí ṣe bí Esabod sọ ń gbà yẹn ló búkú madam ṣe bó sọ pé téèyàn bá lóyún ikùn ẹ̀ báyìí ó máa ní máàkì wá sókè máàkì ò ṣe wà níbi tí Bísílẹ̀ yẹn ó ní tí èèyàn bá ti ní oyún báyìí ó ní ikùn ẹ̀ máa ní black mark kan báyìí tó máa wá ó ní tìrísì ò ní gbà ẹ̀ títí Bísílẹ̀ náà kò ṣe ní black yẹn ikùn tí Bísílẹ̀ à ń gbé fún wa yẹn kò ṣe ní mark yẹn whatever goes around comes around ṣó ti yé yín ìgbà tí mo ní oyún ọmọ mi tí mi ò tiẹ̀ ń ṣe celebrate wọn ò tí mọ̀ mí all over the world wọ́n kàn mọ̀ mí lẹ́pẹ́ wọ́n mọ̀ mí jẹ̀bọ́dé wọ́n mọ̀ mí láwọn ibi kankan mo kàn popular kékeré díẹ̀ kò sẹ́nu tí wọ́n fi kùn mí kò sí nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ wọ́n ní ṣe mọ̀ pé princess ṣe mọ̀ pé ó ní bọ́ọ̀dì tẹ́lẹ̀ bóyá ó ṣe kinní kan ni bóyá ó ṣe kinní kan mo forfeit lóyìnbó tó yẹ kí n lọ bí sí ni mo bí sí general hospital Ẹ̀pẹ́ bàbá ẹ̀ ti kú sí oṣù gbọ́n bàbá ẹ̀ wà ń bẹ àwọn èèyàn tó weakness tó ń wá sí hospital èrò ń rush ní hospital yẹn ni princess bímọ gbogbo ẹni tó ń ta nǹkan ní general hospital Ẹ̀pẹ́ ń jọ yẹn lọ́wọ́ gbogbo oúnjẹ wọn lára gbogbo drinks wọn lára tán pátá tá ń fáwọn èèyàn tó wá kí mi ní hospital kẹwọ́ wá ní kòkò máa bó gbogbo nǹkan tó bá ti wá ń sọ̀rọ̀ wá máa nawọ́ sókè tó bá ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ wá máa nawọ́ sókè á máa purọ́ mọ́ àwọn gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì ṣé gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì náà ló máa tún sọ pé kán tún ti lóyún yẹn o oyún yẹn ń kọ́ o kán tún lọ kó máa ti pé 3 months o àbí 4 months wọ́n sọ pé ó tún fẹ́ bímọ simply because wọ́n ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Mohbad ń sìn pé ibo ni kú Mohbad ti wá gangan kí ló dé tí gbogbo yín kóra yín jọ pọ̀ sínú tíìmù sínú WhatsApp kan ìwọ dẹ̀ ló dá WhatsApp yẹn sílẹ̀ ìwọ náà ni wọ́n ló ń control Instagram ọmọ Wùmí yẹn Wùmí sì á máa rí pé òun tú òun ṣe ájò òun ó fẹ́ káṣírí òun ṣe kíríkan ó fẹ́ kó òun rò. Meanwhile ìwọ gangan ni ọ̀tá ẹ̀ tó pọ̀jù. Ìgbà tó ń dàgẹ̀ ńgbà yẹn bó ṣe ṣẹnu rẹ̀ pé kó ṣàṣẹ kókó ó máa sọ ni tó bá ti wà wọ́n tàgẹ̀ bí tó sọ pé kí ká má sọ̀rọ̀. Because you want her to go down for it ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tí ó ṣẹ̀. Ìwọ dẹ̀ ní àtọ́kọ ẹ lẹ promote ọmọ yẹn lọ sí London last. Ìwọ àti Pọ̀lọ́ lẹ promote ọmọ tó ń jẹ́ Mohbad yẹn ní London. Ìwọ iná ló kọ́kọ́ dárúkọ Ọba Elégùṣì. Lẹ́yìn Ọba Elégùṣì ìwọ iná ló dárúkọ Naira Marley ló dárúkọ Sam Larry. Sọ pé àwọn yẹn ò ná. Torí bó ṣe nọmọ yẹn kò dùn mọ́ mi nínú. Wọ́n máa punish wọn for them. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ti jẹ punishment wọn. Wọ́n máa nọmọ tiwọn náà títí ó máa fi kó sọ́wọ́ tó bá ti yá ni. Bọ́tì ta ló pa gbogbo rán tiẹ̀ ìwọ bẹ́ síta ni ó wá ṣe bíi pé kọ́ má bàa fúnra sí ẹ yóò wá ṣe the only way to defend yourself is to attack ó wá bẹ̀ sí attack ó wá bẹ̀ sí attack ó bẹ̀ sí attack ó bẹ̀ sí attack yẹn wá ṣò nísìn pé ẹni group pé ẹni tẹ́ fẹ́ kó ṣẹ̀wọ̀n ló máa ṣẹ̀wọ̀n ẹni tẹ́ bá fẹ́ kó kú ló máa kú ní orílẹ̀-èdè tí bàbá ẹ̀ ò ti jẹ gọ́fúnà ó bá yé olówó jẹ́ ó bá yé ọlọ́rọ̀ jẹ́ Ọlọ́run mo sọ nígbà yẹn pé you are being sent to destroy a lot of people ta ló sanwó fún ẹ ta ló sanwó fún ẹ pé kó máa ba yé èèyàn jẹ́ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó I'm not supporting Lizzy o lọ́yà tí ó bí mo send message sí lọ́yà yẹn ti send message sí mi padà let me tell you let me just tell you let me read for you. Only one greeting, okay, madam. Only I screenshot the survey plan for the petition you wanted against your okay. So, anyway, how to reply me immediately? The lawyer has replied me immediately. You see? Only every lawyer hold their client's duty of confidential. Okay, thank you, sir. Sir, thank you, sir. No, ibi tá dé yìí. Ó ti gbogbo there was a time ilẹ̀ tí mo sọ pé wá sí gbà lọ́wọ́ mi yẹn. Wọ́n ti ń wá ìwé ilé mi ti pẹ́ àti ìwé ilẹ̀ tí mo gbé tí mo sọ pé wọ́n bà ní Ìjẹ̀bú-Òde yẹn. Wọ́n ti wá ti pẹ́ àwọn evidences mi àti gbogbo ìwé tí mo fi ń kó mọ́tò wọlé sórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Gbà tí mọ́mì mi tí wọ́n máa dé ńgbà yẹn gbogbo evidence tán kó fún mi I mean gbogbo àwọn slip tán kó fún mi gbogbo ìwé mi ò pé now but àwọn kan wà tó yẹ pé sí mo need gan seriously I got them and again ìwé ilé mi mo gbé lọ sí Canada nígbà tí mo lọ I am telling you ìwé mi mo gbé lọ sí Canada nígbà tí mo lọ gbà tí mo tún bọ̀ mo mú padà wá because I know people are looking for a way to steal from me. They're looking for a way to enrich themselves and destroy other people's life. Only. Lórí burúkú somebody yín. Only. Ẹni tó pa Mohbad kí ni license ẹ sọ fún wa ẹni tó fún wọn license láti máa pa èèyàn. Olórí burúkú only na the same element with you and the Lizzy. Kó ṣì lọ́jọ́. Sherry Ìyábọ̀ Òjó olórí burúkú nǹkan tó lè ṣe náà nìyẹn ṣé o mọ̀ pé olórí burúkú Ìyábọ̀ Òjó olè ó fẹ́ lọ́jọ́ ọmọ gbé ní Canada government sí to Ìyábọ̀ Òjó Ìyábọ̀ is a criminal she's a criminal few months ago Ìyábọ̀ Òjó daughter got married and she's not pregnant after 2.5 months Ìyábọ̀ Òjó said her baby want to go and she want to deliver already she said she's already delivered baby in Canada. And let me tell you, kò tí bímọ wọ́n ṣe baby shower ńjọ́ yẹn Ìyábọ̀ Òjó post sí group pọ̀ mọ́ ti bímọ ó dẹ̀ lọ post ọmọ lọ́mọ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó posted somebody already that is she said that her baby and my daughter already deliver a baby girl a baby boy ìyá ọmọ ẹ̀ náà bá gbé scan sọ́wọ́ báyìí ló bá gbé sọ́wọ́ ọmọ dẹ̀ ń ṣe baby shower ni ó ti là mórí Nàìjíríà sódà ẹ̀ nílé query ẹ̀ April àbí May ló ṣe ìyàwó May 7 àbí mẹ́mí ṣé May yẹ ó dẹ̀ lọ ṣe kejì náà after be 20 something days ló lọ ṣe ti Tanzania kí ló tẹ́ gbogbo ẹ̀kọ́ ń ta ẹ question síta padà kẹjẹ́ káwọn èèyàn rí ẹni tó lóyún tó ti fẹ́ bímọ ń sìnsìn ó lè àjọmọgbé ta ló pa Mohbad ó fẹ́ lọ fún Lagos State deputy kú deputy kọ́ deputy kọ́ deputy ni deputy obe vice president Nigeria ló bá lọ fún ó bá sọ pé president Bola Ahmed Tinubu ó dádì o ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá wa drop Alhaji Shettima o kí ìwọ Ìyábọ̀ kó lè lọ ṣe kó lè ṣe vice Nigeria ó lè wicked so we are ama wo àwọn èèyàn wicked people to be ruling us like this mo ye èèyàn tó máa kú tán máa ṣe tán máa bù mọ́lẹ̀ mo ye àwọn èèyàn tó máa kú tán máa sọ pé ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe báyìí ni mo ye èèyàn tó máa àwọn èèyàn máa sọnù wọ́n máa kú gbé ni ẹ máa fi Ìyábọ̀ jẹ nǹkan kan ní Èkó ọjà ilé onílé fi bo tiẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ mi ìgbèjà ilé lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ́yà tí mo sọ yìí lọ́yà tó bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ yìí irọ́ ò dá let me show you that one. So anybody, me, I'm not in support of anybody. I support myself and I say what I believe on. Tí mo gbàgbọ́ gidi ni mo bá sọ, tó dẹ̀ yé mi yékéyéké. Tí mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé àwọn èèyàn tó bá ti sọ tó ti ṣe nǹkan burúkú fún wa, àwa náà máa sọ tí wọ́n a máa tú wọn síta. People who are believing Ìyábọ̀. Kí lẹ ń sọ fún mi tí ó ti bẹ̀ kúrò? Mo bọ̀ jẹ́ ń ṣó yín kẹrin. Lawyer yẹn nìyẹn jẹ́ kí n show ẹ̀ ṣẹ́tìrí message tó tán send ṣẹ́rí voice mo send nísinsìnyí can you see it ṣẹ́rí voice mo send nísinsìnyí you see today message tó send nísinsìnyí padà lélẹ̀ for you to see o mo ti send lára àwọn kan tí mo send kò yẹ kí n send ẹ̀ sí ẹ àmì kí n show ẹ̀ fún yín kẹ́ lè mọ̀ ní o ṣẹ́rí pé kí ní lísì wà ń bẹ̀ ṣẹ́tìrí kẹ́ mọ̀ pé mi ò support anybody o I'm not mi ò so eléyìí náà ó wà nínú petition ṣẹgbọ́ all the celebrity ṣẹgbọ́
bọ́dì ẹ̀ àfẹ́gbé yẹn lọ sí bàjẹ́ sọ fún ẹ̀
ṣẹgbọ́
so ẹ̀ǹdì ẹ̀ ṣorí kó lè bá escape ká má bàa lò ẹ̀
ṣẹgbọ́
ẹ̀ǹdì láìfù ẹ̀
ṣẹgbọ́.
She will start crying so and you too will ìyàwó nobody ó ti pa bàbá ọmọ ẹ ẹ wo lórí burúkú ṣe
okay
ẹ wo wèrè
ṣẹtiri
ẹ wo lórí burúkú ṣe yẹ wo
ṣẹtiri
ẹ ti so pariwo Jesus
ọjọ́ tí wọ́n lọ sí alágbọn ṣó ti yẹyin mẹyẹn oni so me I'm not joking with anybody so listen good I'm not making friend with any criminal and I'm not playing with any fucking idiots. Intele ìsọ àti kéèsì tó ìsọ tí àjálẹ̀ mi gbàgbé ó ti yé yín ẹ̀bá ní kó wá distract mi ọjọ́ kan la máa yọ síbẹ̀ ṣó ti yé yín gbogbo ẹ̀ la máa treat ó ti yé yín the case ẹ̀ mọ̀ ogun ọdún máa ń gbóná so do ìwọ tó ti dárúkọ ìwà àti Lizzy you are the same ìwà àti Lizzy you are the same kó sì lọ don't rubbish me with anybody I don't look for anybody familiarity. I'm not a criminal. Walk alone me. Àti Ọlọ́run àti ọmọ mi is a champion. I don't look for anybody kíní kan láti sọ fún mi pé nìkan ni wọ́n jọ. No! I'm not in clique with anybody. Mi ò sínú group kankan. Mi make friend with anybody idiot. Tó bá ti lè go fún mi, tó ti promise ààrẹ níkú, àtọmọ ẹ níkú. I cannot be your friend. And you cannot be my friend. And we cannot forget it. Okay? So lawyer yẹn kí n dẹ̀ ṣe lawyer kan ni mo send ẹ̀ sí. Mo ti send ẹ̀ sí gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tó ti bá dákẹ́ lórí àwọn cases. Tí ẹ kàn rí pé mo dákẹ́ mi ò gbàgbé. Petition lórí àwọn tó wá sínú ilé ó ti wà ní alágbọn, ó ti wà ní zone 2. Ó ti wà approve. Are you getting me? Gbogbo àwọn tó banú ilé jẹ́ tí mo ti ná almost 70 million nínú ilé ìbáyìí tí ò tí débì kankan tán dẹ̀ san owó tó wọ́ ti 5 million fún mi lọ́jọ́ tó ti ń gbélé tẹ́ni kó bàjẹ́ tí mi ò dẹ̀ jà yín lólè tí ẹ̀yin lẹ jà mí lólè tẹ́ máa tó wá sọ fún mi pé kí ifò kí ni ṣó you now believe that ó fẹ́ parí ẹni tẹ́ bá ti ní kó tẹ́rí sí I will be in my room ọmọ ní kò jáde but I will tí n bá ti lówó mi máa pe owó mi rán níṣẹ́ máa pe owó mi tí bá ti ní owó mi máa pe owó mi rán níṣẹ́ ṣó ti yẹ yín mi ní anybody ṣe ọ̀rẹ́ orí burúkú kankan. So gbogbo yín tẹ́ sọ you are Lizzy you are the same you are Lizzy you are the same kó sì lọ if I want to talk about Lizzy èmi àti ẹ̀ àti jọ sọ̀rọ̀ ẹnu ó dẹ̀ ti promise many things they tortured me nínú ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ nílùú Canada èmi náà máa sọ̀rọ̀ tó bá ti yá kí lẹ́ ń ṣe pé mo máa kò déédéé sọ mo máa gbé gbogbo evidence ni ṣótiyé àtàwọn tó bẹ̀ níṣẹ́ kéèyàn sọ pé mo fẹ́ fi mí ṣètùtù I think I dey play with all of you tó pé mo sọ̀rọ̀ Ìyábọ̀ wá rè pé mo fẹ́ bá Ìyábọ̀ Elite ṣeré I'm not playing with her mo ti sẹ́ndì ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ sí lọ́ọ̀yà mẹ́ta mo ti sẹ́ndì ẹ̀ sí petition wà lórí ẹ̀. so gbogbo yín olórí burúkú tẹ́ bá wù kẹ́ máa sọ̀rọ̀ sí bíbá Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ìgbà kan náà ló lọ kọrin fún Mohbad pó dùn òun irọ́ ló pa ta ló pa Mohbad gbogbo yín kí ló dé tẹ́ fi ń hàt láti protect àwọn tó pa Mohbad kí ni interest yín ṣẹ́yìn lè gbarú ẹ̀ Black Boy àbí Black Dark man sọ pé ó ní wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n fẹ́ kí Naira Marley lọlẹ̀ òun torí pé ó bá ìyá sùn ó bọ́mọ sùn Naira Marley dẹ̀ sọ ń gbà yẹn wípé I want to sleep with a mother and a daughter ó sọ níjọ́ yẹn lọ́hùn èmi náà rí post yẹn gbà yẹn adágẹ́ kan báyìí tó kú tọmọ ẹ̀ kú náà gbà yẹn náà ìyẹn náà jáde ó attack Naira Marley you understand me so Naira Marley too gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣe yìí náà ó fi kọ́ ní ọgbọ́n kóun náà kí gbogbo yín kẹ́ yí padà ní torí ìjọba ọ̀run gan kù sí dẹ̀dẹ̀ fún yín. I'm not supporting any bullshit but at the same time tí Naira Marley bá ṣe tó bá ẹ sùn tó tún wá padà tọmọ ẹ náà tún lọbẹ tó tún bá a sùn torí ẹ máa ń ta òbò ní bó máa ń ta òbò ní gbogbo àtọ́ máa ń pè ní túsàn Ìyábọ̀ yẹn gbogbo àwọn tó bá lọ bá sùn náà máa sọ fún ẹ wọn ò lè pè mí túsàn wọn ò lè pọmọ mi bẹ́ẹ̀ wọn kàn lè sọ pé askin ó ti suffer they no get money kiri kan ó ti pa bàbá ọmọ ẹ èmi kọ́ mo pa bàbá ọmọ mi ẹni tó pa ọmọ union pẹ̀lú conjunction with obìnrin aṣẹ́wó kan tó gbé South Africa àwọn náà bẹ̀ láti pa mi sí South Africa nígbà tó kú àwọn òkè ń pààyàn bí kò sẹ́ni tó wà lọ́wọ́ mi tó máa fún ṣánkú ṣé ti eyín ọmọ òkè ń tọwọ́ oníkọlà làwa ọmọ ònìlẹ̀ nítọwọ́ wa ànígbọ́mọ gbè àwọn òkè ànáìtì orí mi òkè ń pa èèyàn àfi ẹni tí ànáìtì orí mi bá ti ìsìkọ́ta ó gbẹ́ kòtò sílẹ̀ fún rẹ̀ ni tó bá gbẹ́ kòtò sílẹ̀ fún wa kó sí kòtò yẹn tó bá gbẹ́ kòtò sílẹ̀ fún dọ́tà mi wà kó sínú tó gbẹ́ ọmọ mi kọ́ ló máa sùn síbẹ̀ ṣé ti yé nǹkan tá ànáìtì mi máa ń ṣe nìyẹn bọ̀ ká mú yàn téèyàn bá ṣẹ̀wà gan àní sọ pé kó kú ṣó ti yé yín téèyàn bá dẹ̀ rèpù wá sọ pé ó rèpù ẹni tó rèpù tí mo mọ̀ rí tí wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ fún mi tèmi dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ó máa ń rèpù mo ti sọ́rí náà kò dẹ̀ sí nǹkan tó ń ṣe sí ṣó ti yé yín bẹ́yẹn so kẹ́nìbọ̀dì má rubbish mi pẹ̀lẹ́ ní olórí burúkú mi kì í ṣe attention seeker tí n bá jẹ́ attention seeker lórí YouTube máa wà lójoojúmọ́ màá máa gbẹ́nu sí gbogbo nǹkan tó ń sọ I'm not afraid of anything for you pé tí n bá sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ mọ́ máa ṣe kékeré kan ẹ gbádá kò dùn bàbá ṣàfùn tí n bá ti ń sọ báyìí máa máa pe Canada government United Nations máa máa pe Nigeria government ṣó ti yé yín máa máa pe gbogbo wọn torí mi ò pa èèyàn mi ìdẹ̀ mọ́ bí olódodo ṣe fẹ́ kú sípò ìkà mi ìdẹ̀ jalè mi ìdẹ̀ borílẹ̀-èdè jẹ́ say no to killing and batting ni mo sọ ní society mo dẹ̀ ń call attention Yorùbá ní gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì àti àgbáyé pé Yorùbá too have a lot of terrorism o they have a lot of girls and boys that are terrorizing people killing and they are not doing anything about it mo sì sọ ń bẹ̀ yẹn bí kámẹ́rà yẹn ṣe dúdú tó ń jẹ́ yẹn mo sọ o ṣó ti yẹn mi ò ready láti jẹ́ anybody ní orí media kó máa sọ pé we love her Ìyábọ̀ is love Ìyábọ̀ is love Ọlọ́run gan tó dá ayé àtọ̀run wọn kórìíra ẹ̀ talkless of wọ́n máa sọ pé wọ́n máa flatter mi pa ẹnìkan love fún mi don't love me o don't love me. ọ̀rọ̀ tó kàn ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́rọ̀ Mohbad ni pé ta ló pa Mohbad ta ló ní àkáǹtì yẹn ní ọjọ́ náà lọ́hùn tó ń fi Mohbad ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́ ipò ti kú ó ti lọ ó dá mi lójú possible kó jẹ́ Ìyábọ̀ torí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó àti Ọba Ifẹ̀ ni wọ́n fi ṣe DP níjọ́ náà mo sọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ bóyá mo rúdù ni mo ní DP yìí mo ní Ìyábọ̀ Òjó kí ló dé mo ní ẹjọ́ o ẹ tí ó bá ti ń ṣe ìwọ ló ní tell anybody to delete your video tó máa fi ṣe nǹkan burúkú ó rẹ́rìn ní pé Mohbad ti kú ẹni yẹn yọ̀ pé Mohbad ti kú kí ló dé tó bá ṣẹ̀yìn tó bá jẹ́ pé ó ṣe first entry fún yín ẹ sọ fún ìjọba ipò rẹ́pù o ẹ̀wọ̀n wà fún rẹ́pì kì í ṣe pé kẹ́ máa pa wọ́n ní tó bá ṣe ẹ ṣàlàyé wọn gbogbo àwọn tá a ṣàlàyé pé wọ́n jà wá lólè wọ́n ṣèkà fún wa látijọ́ yìí wọn ò tí ì ṣe nǹkan kan sí torí wọ́n bìlí pé wọ́n ní gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì wọ́n ní backbone wọ́n láwọn ọlọ́pàá gbogbo system Nàìjíríà àwọn olórí burúkú somebody they are jack everywhere wọ́n are jack ọlọ́pàá Ìyábọ̀ ilẹ̀ máa rí lọ́dọ̀ ọlọ́pàá ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá Ìyábọ̀ ilẹ̀ máa rí lọ́dọ̀ ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá Ìyábọ̀ ilẹ̀ máa rí lọ́dọ̀ àwọn politician wèrè tó ń ṣe ayasa sí tó ń pa èèyàn Ìyábọ̀ yìí nìkan lẹ máa rí tó máa date èèyàn tó máa bayé ẹ̀ jẹ́. Ìyábọ̀ yìí ni. Ìyábọ̀ yìí ni. Èmi náà kúkú mọ̀ pé fúnra yín lẹ máa ṣe ra yín. Lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí kọ́ ni wọ́n ní ẹnìkan lọ fún ní fóònù. Wọ́n á ti kóòdù fóònù yẹn báyìí gbogbo ohun tó bá ti rà. Wọ́n á ra fóònù fún ẹni yẹn. Wọ́n á gbé fóònù wọn lọ gbé fún. Gbogbo ohun tó bá ti ṣe lórí fóònù tó bá transfer ẹ̀ báyìí. A kàn transfer sí ọ̀dà ó ti ní duplicate. A kàn transfer ẹ̀ ni. Ẹni yẹn máa ṣe bí ẹni tó náà ìṣe ẹyin kẹ́ ẹ̀ mọ anything. Ẹ̀ mọ anything. Gbogbo àwọn tó dẹ̀ ń support yín fún iṣẹ́ burúkú. Gbogbo ẹni tó bá ti ń support yín pé kẹ́ máa ṣe ìkà fáwọn èèyàn láwùjọ. Kẹ́ dẹ̀ máa go scot-free. The law will expose all of them. The law will judge them. So Canada government, please, ẹ lajú yín o. I like in Canada. We love Canada children. We don't want them to be stealing baby in Canada because Nigeria here a lot of celebrity. Ìgbà kan kì í ṣe rọ́. Irú Abu Ebe yẹn náà ń sìn. Tí mo kàn déédéé rí lórí lóru ẹni, tán déédéé tag mi. Ipò jẹ́ ó lọ jí ilẹ̀ àwọn ọba kan. Ó dá mi lójú pé tí ìbá ṣe àwọn ọba ló nílẹ̀ yẹn ní 400 million. Tí ìbá ṣe àwọn ọba ló nílẹ̀ yẹn, wàláì wọn ò ní rí justice. Torí lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ ló ti ń sọ pé ọmọ president lòun, àwọn ọmọ ìjọba làwọn ọmọ wọn kò máa borúkọ ìjọba wa jẹ́. President àjókòó jẹ́ ara wọn. Kò ní mọ̀ nǹkan kan nípa kan tó ń ṣe. Wọ́n máa ní ọmọ president wá o, ọmọ president wá o, ọmọ president wá o, ọmọ president wá o. President ṣé president ló máa sọ pé kẹ́ lọ ja olè kẹ́ máa borúkọ wọn jẹ́. Níjọ́ sí mo wá rí gbà tó máa yá ẹmọ ladies biggest lady ní society náà ló ń fẹ́ Farida. This Farida of 18 orí bíbá ẹni ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ ọmọ Ìbàdàn ló ṣe expose ẹ̀ pé òun ò tí bímọ ń tọ̀ òun ṣùgbọ́n òun ò lọ jí ọmọ àbókí gbé o ìwọ ló lọ jí ọmọ àbókí méjì o ọmọ àbókí méjì náà ló lọ jí gbé until now ní gbogbo àtọ́ dẹ̀ sọ yẹn Esabod dẹ̀ máa ṣe kíní fún wọn ní tó bá ti pé Esabod ń rúùtù fún àwọn èèyàn báyìí criminal ló ń rúùtù fún. Anytime you see Esabod speaking for people, anybody says Esabod bá ti speak fún báyìí terrorist ni. Anytime Esabod is rooting for people, ẹni yẹn ń ja olè lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ wọ́n ti send owó sí Esabod. Gbogbo àwọn tó ń da ilẹ̀ Yorùbá rú pátá gbogbo ni Esabod máa ń rúùtù fún. Tó bá ti lè send the token fún báyìí àbí kó lọ sórí platform ẹ̀ ní Instagram àbí lórí TikTok yẹn kó lọ ra lion kó lọ ra oríṣiríṣi fún. Wọ́n máa ń sọ pé ìyá yẹn gbádùn ó ń cover gbogbo àsán ni o. Those who are stealing land, collecting people, taking possession of gbogbo nǹkan tí ò ṣe títí wọn ò ní Esabod ń rúùtù fún. Esabod níjọ́ tó ya fọ́tò pẹ̀lú Priscilla ní Tanzania mo challenge olójú dúdú ìwọ náà máa sọ pé o fresh wá sí Nàìjíríà kó wá rúùtù ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ṣe rúùtù ẹ̀ kó wá struggle bí mo ṣe struggle yìí kó mọ̀ pé bóyá o máa dúdú bóyá ò ní dúdú. Ṣé oróyún nínú Priscilla ṣé oyún ẹ̀yẹn ó ti lè 2 months later ṣó lè ti ga bẹ́yẹn ó ti wọ 9 months. Arítẹnumọ̀ wí àfàpádìbò tiẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ ìyá àsàlẹ̀ àwọn ọmọ olè ìyá àsàlẹ̀ àwọn criminal aláyé bàjẹ́ ìgbà tí mo dé Nàìjíríà yìí ó kọ́kọ́ bú mi tẹ́rùlẹ̀ àgbàdo ni olórí burúkú èèyàn olórí burúkú gbogbo yín tẹ́rọ pé ròyìn wá sí ibà tí bá ti ń kọjá lọ ẹni kan tún àràsì dáadáa ó wà lálàgbọ́n ẹ bèrè mí tí ìfọ̀gó ẹ̀ èmi báyìí ni wọ́n ń dúró dè kán wá píkì àwọn wèrè yẹn bọ̀ mo rí wọn pé gbogbo wọn ti sádànù yes mo rí pé wọ́n sádànù mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ kátẹ́gùn fẹ́ sí kán ti wà carried away bẹ́ẹ̀ ni òun ni mo ń sọ lójú kìíní ìyẹn ogún ọdún ó ń gbóná ìyẹn ogún ọdún ó ń gbóná àfi tí mi bá fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo sọ mo ti ń sọ láti 11 years ago ọ̀rọ̀ pé wọ́n jà mí lólè kéwọ́n jà mí lólè Esabod ló búkú iná ló ń support kéwọ́n gbà yẹn ó kúrò mọ́ ní kí ló ní ìwọ pàṣíwọ́ bọ̀wọ̀bọ̀ olóòórùn èmi Bọ́lá Fọláṣadé àwọn èèyàn ń jí owó lọ́wọ́ mi ni mi ò jí owó èèyàn go getter ni mi ò ṣe go digger mi ò kì í ṣọ̀lẹ olórí burúkú olè olórí burúkú aláyé bàjẹ́ àwọn aláyé rírun a máa root fún gbogbo àwọn criminal a máa sọ fún ọkọ máa nìṣó kò séwu ewu wà fún yín at this junction ewu wà gbogbo ẹni tó bá ti ń support yín a máa lọ against campaign fún ni kò ní lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni going nowhere. Anybody supporting criminal, anybody supporting killing, anybody supporting evil in this our society tó ń pa àwọn ẹni ẹlẹ́ni àìní gbayì bẹ́ẹ̀ ni nígbà yìí torí the country belongs to everybody. Ó jáde níjọ́ Sunday ló máa mú gbogbo wọn a máa bu yàmà ríkàkìkan Esabod a máa pa irọ́ mọ́yàn tó bá ti fún lówó báyìí á dẹ̀ mú irọ́ ńlá á dẹ̀ wọ mú orí ẹni yẹn. Esabod olóbùkù yìí nígbà yẹn títí tẹ́ bóni tó sùn mí ó ní wo títí ẹ bóni ó kówó fún 200 million bó ṣe gbà á ó ní kó ra mọ́tò ó wá lọ kó bàtà lásán ó wá kó ránṣẹ́ sí títí ẹ bóni mo lé mi ní gbogbo ìwé títí ẹ bóni gbogbo kọ̀ńténà tí mo send sí màdàmú yẹn ló wà lọ́wọ́ mi mo kó wá sí Nàìjíríà ìyẹn ogún ọdún ó máa ń gbóná ọwọ́ títí ẹ bóni bí mo ṣe wà Nàìjíríà náà mo rí náà àwọn EFCC kan tán fẹ́ lò wọ́n láti rò pé wọ́n fẹ́ set me up wọ́n máa rí pé káwọn kan go after around me gbogbo àwọn àtẹ́tí wá sára mi kí lẹ rí I don't pretend this is just me ìtì ń bá lè sọ lórí social media gan mi ò ní ara mi nìkan àti private part mi lè fi wọ̀n lórí media ó ti yé bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn mi ò ní crime mi ò ń ṣe I been like this for donkey years. Ó parọ́ mọ́ mi ní torí yẹn náà sẹ́ndì owó fún gbà yẹn gbogbo yín ẹ má máa jí ọmọ gbé ẹ má máa jalè gbogbo wọn pátá tó commit one crime or the other ọ̀dọ̀ Esabod ló máa sá lọ a máa defend wọn olórí burúkú máa sá olè wá Nàìjíríà ṣe mọ́ náà love ẹ Nàìjíríà ṣe bí they say they love you in Nigeria come now you are supporting them to be destroying the system àwọn tó daft náà wọ́n máa tẹ̀lé ẹ wọn ò ní mọ̀ pé o kàn fẹ́ fi system báyé gbogbo èèyàn jẹ́ ni wàá máa ṣépè ọmọ àpapọ̀ wàá máa ṣépè wàá ní wọ́n ṣépè fọmọ ọlọ́mọ ìwọ ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ èpè lórí bí kí n tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ èpè lórí àwọn tó bẹ̀ẹ́ sí mi ìwọ ló kọ́kọ́ ṣépè tẹ́ pè wọlé àti kí lórúkọ ẹ̀ àti èyí tó pè ní Dorcas tó pè tí gbogbo àwọn èyí ó ṣe olórí burúkú yẹn tó ń ṣépè kò sẹ́ni tó fi méré tó ní ṣòfò tọmọtọmọ kò sẹ́ni tó fọmọ méré tó ní ṣòfò tọmọtọmọ àdàbí tó yẹ pé èmi mo kọ́kọ́ wá fún yín wọ́n jà mí lólè ni and I'm complaining about the people who did evil against me who stole from me and you be supporting them on the media olórí burúkú yóò fò yàrá dáadáa ìwọ ló tún ti gbé Ìyábọ̀ kan báyìí ó ní Ìyábọ̀ ò lè gbé Ìyábọ̀ kan kó má jábọ̀ ọmọ ẹ̀ ó máa fẹsẹ̀ wọlé ṣáá ni ìwọ ọjà tó fi pọnmọ́ ti bàjẹ́ iná ti jó ó lè pọnmọ́ káyé má bàjẹ́ because ó ní sọ láyéláyé pé kó sọ tòótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ wàá ní kó wàá bò wọ́n ni kò sí nǹkan burúkú tó lè ṣe báyìí wàá bò wọ́n ni Bíbélì kan sọ fún wa pé resist the devil, he will flee àyà ọmọdé ni wèrè dì sí tó bá ti bá wọn wí báyìí wọ́n máa filẹ̀ ni ó ní kọ́mọ rẹ kó ba lè fún ọ ní ìsinmi ìwọ wàá máa pàmpà wọn nínú nǹkan burúkú wọ́n máa fún ẹni tó kí olórí burúkú àwọn tọmọ tí ayé tó wá tí ò yọ ilẹ̀ tó ń jí àwọn tó jílẹ̀ gbé tó jílẹ̀ tó jówó bà lórí social media gbogbo nǹkan burúkú tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ìwọ ló kọ́ sẹ̀ you causing problem for Nigeria àwọn olórí burúkú kan kẹ̀lẹ́ má ti máa lọ báyẹn ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá ti lọ sábẹ̀ wọ́n máa ṣòfò ni tó bá fèrú gbàgàn papọ̀ wọn ò ní ìsinmi ìyẹn bó ṣe jẹ́ láàárọ̀ yìí so ìwọ tó ń bú mi yẹn kó lọ ṣòfò dànù káyé ẹ̀ ta gbogbo ẹni tó pa Mohbad kẹ́ má sinmi ọkàn yóò ní balẹ̀ mi ò sọ pé ọmọ yẹn ò ṣe o mi ò sọ pé bóyá gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ ń sọ tẹ́ fẹ́ sọ pé òun náà ṣẹ̀ nǹkan báyìí ló ṣe tá fi dí pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ tó bá ti ṣẹ̀ ẹgbẹ́ fún ìjọba nìkan dí pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ tó bá dẹ̀ tì yín lójú ẹ máa jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn sórí ibi tèdè báyìí pé ó bọ́mọ sùn ó bá yà sùn o àbó ṣe nǹkan kan òun náà wà náwọn tó ń rèpù nílé Naira Marley tẹ́ bá tó torí ẹ̀ pàdánù olórí burúkú nìyí olórí burúkú olórí burúkú. Nobody stole anything from me Auto Bola àbí ìwọ tó sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn mọ́tò ló máa pa ò ní jèrè ikú burúkú ló máa kú gbogbo ohun tó bá kójọ láyé máa bàjẹ́ lójú ẹ̀mí ẹ̀ nobody stole anything from me ó lò ṣe ó lè ilẹ̀ méjì 2 plot of land tí wà sí ìgbà níjẹ̀bọ́dẹ ìwé ẹ̀ wà ń bí torí ẹ̀ you are sending people around me to come and steal the paper kò sẹ́ni tó steal kankan nobody steal anything from me why are you now what is your business are you the one tí mo accuse ni ṣé ìwọ ni Wàsíù ṣé ìwọ ni Màláíkà ṣé ìwọ ni Pàṣọ ni Pàṣọ owó tó yá lọ́wọ́ mi ó dá padà yàtọ̀ sówó tí mo fún mi ò kí ń parọ́ mọ́ èèyàn gbogbo ẹrù tí máa kó wọlé tó ń gbà lọ́wọ́ mi tí mo máa pe tí mo pè débi pé mo pa Abacha àrígbà ẹ̀ tá bá sọ pé àdé Àbújá kan tó sẹ̀tò náà up mo purọ́ ni kò sẹ́ni nobody steal anything nobody stole anything from you tí wọ́n bá jí nǹkan kan lọ́wọ́ mi tí mo parọ́ kọ́lọ́run ṣe ìdájọ́ fún mi ṣùgbọ́n tó bá jí ikú burúkú ló máa kú ò ní lákòjọ rere tó bá ti ní orere kan lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run máa gbọ́n sọ̀nà Ọlọ́run máa bàjẹ́ bọ́lọ́run ṣe ń tú ayé èèyàn ṣe á máa bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́ ni ọkàn ò ní balẹ̀ ò ní rí bá ti ṣe ò ní rọ́nà gbégbà wọ́n tó pẹ́rẹ́ ní Ayọ̀dèjì yẹn ayọ̀ ò ní dèjì ayọ̀ máa túká ni olórí burúkú olè terrorist go and work lórí burúkú ló ṣì gbogbo wọn tó bá ti bàlújẹ́ tó wọn náà fẹ́ lọ di nǹkan kan ìyàwó náà máa sọ pé òun fẹ́ di deputy of Lagos State. Okay, ìgbà tó sọ pé wọn ò jí kankan lọ́wọ́ mi kí ló dé tí gbogbo yín ti ń tẹ̀lé mi káàkiri. Why are you distracting me? Why are you monitoring my life? Why are you telling them to destroy whatever I do? Why? Ẹ jẹ́ kọ́kọ́ yín balẹ̀, ẹ má pe lawyer tí má pe, ẹ má be àwọn èèyàn surrounding me. Don't send anybody to come and be disturbing me or to come and set me up because you don't want me, your case, your secret to be open. Don't do that. Olórí burúkú yín. Mi ilé ẹjọ́ kọ̀ọ̀kan láti bá wọ̀rọ̀. Aláyé bàjẹ́ mi tí rí irú ẹ̀ rí kórílẹ̀-èdè káwọn èèyàn máa ṣe nǹkan burúkú lójúkorojú àwọn tí ò jẹ́ nǹkan kan. You are mad, ìyá ẹ̀ mad. Gbogbo àwọn ará ilé yín gbogbo yín tẹ́ bú mi síbí báyìí gbogbo yín lẹ máa mad pa sórí pé mi máa ń ní boldness láti comment mi even gan fídíò mi tó go viral jù bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ṣépè tó orí yín ló balẹ̀ sí àwọn tó ṣépè ní jọ́nà lọ́hùn ayé wọn bàjẹ́ èyí tó wà ní Canada ayé ẹ̀ bàjẹ́ ni èyí tó wà ní Nàìjíríà ayé ẹ̀ bàjẹ́ ni èyí tá a bá bèèrè lórí wọn lọ́lọ́ máa ṣe so tó bá ti lè rò ní kó ṣẹ́ èpè ò kí ń ṣe tèmi. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ni wọ́n sọ pé ó ṣe kí ni ó block comment section ni kò jẹ́ kó lè torí pé àṣírí ẹ̀ ti tú a tún sọ ń sìn pé ẹ lọ wo kíní yẹn ẹ lọ wo ṣé pìsílẹ̀ àṣọ ní kọ̀ǹtọ̀ kí ló wọ̀ gbàtàwọn èèyàn fẹ́ máa fọwọ́ kan lára báyìí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó fọwọ́ gbé báyìí ó ní kó lọ jókòó kọ́ má bàa ṣí má bàa tù Ìyábọ̀ Òjó your secret is out. Canada government see to it Nigeria government wọ́n sọ pé tọ́n bá ti ṣe nǹkan tán tẹ́ bá ti rí tọmọdé àtàgbà wọn tó bá ti ń ṣe báyìí tán ṣe báyìí wọ́n lẹ́yìn lẹ́wà ń bẹ̀ ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ ń ṣe mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé mo gbá research mi dé àwọn ibì kan àwọn majority of things gan ẹ̀ mọ̀ ń pa ẹ̀ but àwọn ló ń ṣe wọ́n tún máa purọ́ mọ́ yín wọ́n máa ṣe báyìí wọ́n máa ṣe báyìí wọ́n máa ṣe báyìí sókè ni tọ́n bá ti ń ṣe báyìí sókè wọ́n sọ pé ẹ̀ ń tẹ̀ wà ń power wọ́n ní president vice senate rep gbogbo yín pátá lẹ́yìn lẹ́ ń ṣe so wọ́n ń parọ́ mọ́ yín torí because of this treat their fuck up. Treat their fuck up. Everybody lost see me. Treat their fuck up. Treat their fuck up. Ní bó ṣe jẹ́ láàárọ̀ yìí 8 o'clock ti lò. Mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní 6+. I spent 2 hours. It's enough. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bú mi àti ẹ̀yin tẹ́ threat yẹn mi ò bú I mean inú mi ò care o. Mi ò care but all your threatening and Ìyábọ̀ Òjó lẹ́ ń support gbogbo àti má tẹ́ bá ti ń threat gbogbo ẹni tí mo ń sọ̀rọ̀ nígbà tẹ́ fi ń threat Ìyábọ̀ Òjó lẹ́ máa kọ́ àwọn ọmọọṣẹ́ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó nìyẹn olóní petition yẹn ok ní bó ṣe jẹ́ ẹ̀yin apààyàn yìí èmi fẹ́ lè ṣe lọ láàárọ̀ yìí á ti máa padà ẹni tó bá ní ká má dé láàrin dé bá àwọn olè àpọ̀mọlọ́mọlẹ́kùn jayé láyé pàṣẹ. ẹni tó pa Mohbad tó máa sọ pé wọn ò ní fún wọn ní justice tàbí tó ń block ẹ máa ṣe pèdè ní gbogbo èèyàn máa ṣe pè fún ẹni tó bá ti pa Mohbad ni bẹ́ẹ̀ ni